Hello. Sup? Okay, cool. Hopefully this isn't... Yeah, no, I'm already live. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm already live. I don't understand. Are you just keeping track of when I'm live? Because I'm multi-streaming by myself. Okay, let's see if this works how I want it to, because I don't need it to, like, sync it myself. Can I, like, copy the link to the... Yeah, I know I can pop it out. Yeah. Some browser docs. What I'm not doing is I'm not trying to combine my chats, like, on the screen. I'm just getting I'm allowed to use a combined chat for, just for me. Does that make sense? Yeah, so now, okay, there we go. Now I can see... Now I can see everybody's... I'm just gonna test this on here. Yeah, okay, so now I can see everybody's chats. Even if they're on... No matter if they're on YouTube or... 6,800. Okay, well, I'll go change that then. I'll try streaming at a higher bitrate for once. We're going to get to it in a second. So 6,800. Okay, I have modified the bitrate. We should be going up. Okay, so now if we have anybody on YouTube, then we should be good. I actually have, with trying to get this all set up, I have not opened up my VTuber software. Do I reach the requirement for what streaming? Okay, wait, I gotta turn on my ring light just to make sure that I am nice and illuminated. Is there no... 1440p streaming. Twitch recently added it. I do not even have a 1440p monitor, so it's not like that would do anything. Also, hi y'all! Welcome to the chat, or welcome back to the channel. Wait to answer that. Okay. But yes, I am multi-streaming on purpose. Thank you for being worried that I wasn't. In fact, I'm gonna have to turn down this music at some point, because it is really loud. And I'll probably go hop in the voice channel soon enough. Wow. Yes, I did. Welcome, Nathan Rios. Hello, welcome to the channel. So many ads, yes. I probably should actually go get like a... I'm trying to stream at your recommended bitrate. Okay. I have not set up I do not even have like a 1440p monitor. So it's not like it would do anything. To use to make games on? Godot. 'Tis my tool of choice. It's one of my personal favorites. Okay, I'm just gonna... It's gonna be a bit weird, but we're just gonna add the, It's gonna pop up as a browser source for a bit, but, it's just that, but I'm, okay, that's a little too small. Let's do 400. Chat style. I just want the default one, thank you. I guess you're still not very visible, it's fine. There we go, so now we have YouTube chat. I don't know if it's gonna stick around. I'm trying to make a Final Fantasy like RPG, but I don't know what to make it on. Which Final Fantasy? Like, are you talking Final Fantasy, like some of the older ones, or like something more like some of the more recent ones? Essentially, I'm asking 2D or 3D. Because Godot does pretty decent, both of them. Janky YT chat, cream, peak midstream setup, yeah. YouTube chat is so weird. Like, I can't... Unlike Streamlabs... Okay, listen, if I was using Streamlabs and I was just using YouTube, then, you know, that'd be one thing. Because I actually can't combine... Because I can't combine my chats. Streamlabs doesn't have a way to, like, have just your YouTube chat or just your Twitch chat. It has to be both of them. Like Undertale. Okay, then Godot is, like, the perfect fit, especially if you want to learn, because GDScript is super easy to learn as well. Also, we should actually probably, like, do things instead of just sitting around talking, so I'll actually turn down the music and open up the game engine. I'm gonna make sure that my screen blocker is open, which I just got reminded that I probably should have installed Windhawk, because currently it's blinding white. Okay, open a new window. Godot engine versions 4.5. Streamlabs sucks. Why do I need to pay for multi-stream when OBS is free? I'm talking about, like, the Streamlabs chat widgets. I can't have just a chat widget for YouTube and just a chat widget for and just a chat widget for Twitch. It's either I have to have them combined or I can just have one. So currently it's just one. Okay, you are going to get nuked. Well, actually, I'm still opening it up. Hence why I'm probably soon gonna make my own Twitch chat widget and stuff. Tried Game Maker, where Undertale is made, but the scripting is confusing and the scripts don't work. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I'm a bit of a Game Maker hater. I'm gonna be real. Game Maker's, like, I do not know how to use it. I downloaded it so I could make, like, Undertale mods, a mod for Undertale, and I could not figure it out. Also, I need to figure out my, my layout. Okay, so funny thing, when I was setting up the other day, I forgot to, I forgot to tell it to. I forgot to add the actual, audio bits. Hey, Nox, welcome to the chat. Welcome. Okay. Yeah, so this is what happens when I touch the floor right now. I want to do the microwave PC build, but when it's turned on, it's always the potato setting. Okay, we're gonna try some jank things to fix it. I've been messing with the angle number for a bit. Oh, that is completely wrong.
Whoa, that is weird.
Sideways, yes, indeed. Let's see. Okay, let's just try. Let's just grab like the animated sprite and let's see which way rotation is. Because it may be that that the rotation works differently. There's the trend. Yeah. Hey, White Sword, welcome to the chat. I know you.
Dude. People today.
Well, part of it is that now I'm streaming on both like YouTube and like, you know, YouTube and Twitch. It's a bit.
Yeah.
I got more people going on. YouTube chat isn't showing on stream. Yeah, okay, I'll add that real quick. You guys are getting, unfortunately, probably like shafted in the corner. I'm sorry. Like, trying to organize having both of them on screen but having them be separate entities is a bit weird. Okay, you guys might get, like, minimized a little more, sorry. Hey, Cloudy, welcome. I wish I could just display both chats in the same box, but unfortunately I do not live in a perfect world. Okay, I'm gonna go check that is the wrong page. I did not mean to pull that up. I'm trying to pull up the Sonic Physics Guide on my other screen. Okay. Let's check the way that rotation is supposed to work. Yeah, I think rotation is wrong.
Cloudisky is here for the party.
Hi, Cloudy.
Hi.
Let's just try doing this. This is probably not going to work, but I think what it is that that it is expecting a different coordinate. Like a different type of rotation that when I rotate it, it goes the other direction. Okay, now I just need to figure out why it doesn't flatten out. Is making a 3D game in here harder than making than 2D or what? Yes, it does tend to be generally more difficult. Also, what is why?
No, this is starting to remind me of a certain Sonic EXE game you played.
Okay, it's not nearly. Goodness, Rotat. Yes. Why Sonic? Okay. Why is this not rotate? Okay. Okay, let's just do bars. I'm just doing some very silly debug. if last colliding sensor, then sensor name equals last colliding sensor dot name. Sensor name. Rotat, waiting to join the VC. Someone said skill issue. It is not a skill issue.
Nixtanephilim moved to stream room.
Hello,
Rude.
welcome to the chat. Rotat. Welcome to the voice channel, I should say.
Yeah, I think that's those are two different things in terms of what you're
Yeah,
doing right now.
yeah. Okay, theme overrides. Can I just change the font size? 8 pixels.
I'm currently preparing a sweet potato.
8 pixels is probably
Yeah.
not the ideal, actually.
8-bit? What are you talking about?
Okay, wait, if I get on... Oh my gosh, why are they oh my gosh, that's why it's... Why are the sensors fighting? What? Dude, okay.
It's because some people just fall out of love.
I'm currently working on an LED matrix and my brain hurts. Valid. Okay, let's...
Imagam and Furry is here for the party.
Hi, Jammer. Why...
Ah,
You know...
What?
Just sometimes I kind of appreciate streaming alone. Or at least, like, with people in the chat.
what? You don't like
Aw.
having us company?
You don't like company, man?
Why are the sensors fighting? Why are... No! This is not how the code is supposed to work.
What the fuck? What's going on?
You've been coding for longer than I have, and I think you know that code barely works ever.
Limbus company.
Actually, I think Sonic just figured out the secrets of levitation. That's what he's doing.
Yeah, for real.
Okay, because listen, I'm using this function for getting to see
The Falcon.
which sensor is colliding.
Who pinged me? Oh, Kira did. I know it. Fuff.
Distance to global position. Let's try this weird code.
I'm so bored.
Listen, if I was trying to not, if I wasn't trying to be Genesis accurate, then I could just use a whole bunch of Godot's built-in functions, but...
Did you finish the FNF mod that you were doing?
Nope.
No. Also, are you kidding? Why is it just continuously rotating to the right?
Let him rotate, bro. Come on.
The fear I have with
He's
the
not doing
3D
anything
game.
Wrong.
Yeah, for real. He's just rotating, bro.
Yeah, he's just being chill. He's just vibing like that. He's chill like that, you know?
Dude, no.
Look at him go.
The fear I have with the 3D game is I don't have I have a laptop, not a PC, and I want it to crash because open world. That's fair, yeah. Being
you're talking
silly.
about where- Wait, who's in chat right now? I'm not,
Nathan
I'm
Rios.
Nathan Rios
Okay.
on YouTube. White Sword is also there.
Yes,
And Boot Floppy is just being Boot Floppy.
indeed. I also have the same issue with the Game Maker because of movement issues, yeah.
I
But-
tried making like a short game in Game Maker. It was just,
The singular time I tried actually using Unity to make like a VR chat avatar, I failed because
Don't
the
do
avatar
it.
wasn't. Yeah, I failed. I had a mental breakdown because the avatar was breaking when I tried to add Go Go Loco to it.
Hey, Genie.
Shit.
Yeah?
Remember how you wanted me to set up a con board?
A what?
the con board?
Yes, Boot Floppy. I tried to make a VR chat avatar. I didn't make it from
Comboard. Oh,
scratch, I just downloaded
can
base.
the can board.
Yeah, Kanban. Yeah. GitLab has one built in.
What?
Every day I'm wondering. I'm gonna
Like,
take
it's just
my
built
S
in.
key off my
With
keyboard and
issue
take
tracking
out-
integration.
Oh
Well,
wait,
I used a template with it.
wait, no. Okay, wait.
That's not the right way.
Let's try doing that. Let's try normalizing it first.
My sweet potato wasn't fully cooked. It was very raw on the inside. It made me sad.
Did you cut it open, or did you just
Yeah.
throw it in there? Okay, then
I just
don't know what to tell
threw it
you.
into the microwave and I just pressed potato.
Oh, that's why.
No!
Use the microwave buttons.
Did you try using VRC Fury?
I
That's
didn't
what he
have
said.
I didn't have any of those extra things, and that was my first mistake. I'm gonna be
Oh,
honest.
wait, here it is.
I didn't
God.
have any of those extra things. I had no idea what I was doing, and yeah.
Okay,
But I
put
do
a
have-
second
I-
potato.
Since
I put a
since-
second potato in
since
the air fryer.
I know someone who makes avatars, like edits and adjusts avatars for free, which is amazing. So I said to them, I paid them like 500 Robux. I mean, they're gonna add something else to it that costed money. So I paid them like 500 Robux. So they're just gonna add whatever crap they want to my avatar and then upload it themselves. I gave them full permission to do it.
Okay.
Dang.
That's not a
They will
good
add.
idea.
They will add.
Very
They will
good.
add literally anything. They just can't change the base of my avatar. That's it.
And you paid them?
I paid them $500 for something. 500 Robux for something different
Oh, I was about to
That I
say
can't say- that I-
$500.
that I can't say on stream.
Oh. Is it legal for you to have?
Sure, it's legal. In my
If
standards,
you-
it's legal.
okay. Yeah,
With my
I think that-
standards, it's
I
legal.
can't. I was gonna. Yeah.
Everything's fine.
Yep. Totally. Yep. If it's fine, you
Oh.
can totally say it on stream.
I'm not
You know,
saying it on stream.
Mm.
No, I'm not doing
Don't make
it.
it fun then.
I'm just shut up. I'm not saying it.
Nah,
It's not happening.
Genie, quickly deafen yourself and then
No, I'm not
And
saying it at all. Stop peer pressuring me.
bro. Peer pressure is
Not-
fun, bro.
It's not happening. I'm playing Overwatch just to spite you.
It's fun.
I'm opening
Yeah,
Overwatch
peer
just
pressure
to
is
spite you.
fun,
No, I'm opening Overwatch. Fuck you. You can't stop me.
bro. Bro, Overwatch was shut down. It's Overwatch
You know
2
which
good at
one-
right.
State.
You know which one I'm talking about. You don't need to
Armor.
say.
Okay.
Yeah,
Armorless Protogen Avatar in VRC is peak. Not gonna lie. Random thing to say, but yeah,
I lied. I'm not playing Overwatch right now. I'm not opening
Liar.
Overwatch.
I do
Liar.
agree.
Yeah, I lied. Oh my gosh. You know what?
This is actually
gonna-
giving me a headache.
What are you doing?
You know what's giving me a headache? This.
Bismuth! Wait, Boo Floppy, huh?
Whoa, it's almost like coding is difficult and it requires a lot of mental strain.
Boo Floppy,
What?
you said Bismuth is real in VR chat? I need to know. I need to see this with my own 2 eyes. Why is Scums playing Run Hide Fight on Roblox?
Oh my gosh! What?
'Cause I think
Dude,
he just likes killing people.
Yeah.
If you don't want these, if you don't want people to redeem things, you know you can disable it.
Yeah, I
Why?
know.
What did they redeem? What did they redeem?
I'm doing the dancing thing again.
Yeah, I know.
Gundam style.
Gangnam style.
Genie gets so
Yeah.
mad at coding that he hits the Gundam still. Gundam still.
Gangnam still.
Gangnam still.
What it?
Okay.
What,
What?
the hell is Sonic doing? What the hell?
Sonic, you're drunk. Go home.
Wait, huh?
Ah!
I heard alcohol and my mind lit up. I'm
Dude,
kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
why are you not oh my gosh.
Yeah, throw things at him. Yeah, hit him. Bully
Bye.
him. Bully him.
No,
Bullying.
Bully
we
the
should-
streamer.
We should bully the streamer, guys.
I'm
Don't bully
getting
children,
things thrown at me. Bismuth is now real in VR chat. That's awesome, actually. You gotta show it to me the next time I do a VR chat stream. That is the.
though. I wanna see that. Oh wait. I thought you said the metal. Dang it! I love bismuth. Bismuth is my favorite
Bismuth
metal.
isn't a metal though. It's a gem. Get it right.
I don't care. I will call it what I
Or
want.
do you?
I'll beat you to
I
death.
heard that.
Oh my
I
gosh.
also heard-
Play pressure.
Oh, don't threaten me with
I
a
heard
good
that you
time.
care.
Finally! Finally!
I'm-
Finally!
You
Finally!
did it.
Guys, I'm
Now
gonna
don't
beat
mess it up.
pressure. I'm gonna
Okay,
beat
now I need to.
pressure
Now I need
solo.
to. I probably need to update the ground sensors depending on how fast the player is moving.
Guys, I think it's time I play pressure, but solo, and get my ass kicked.
Because
Oh,
now,
I played it solo my first time.
because I actually kind of need to change. The ground sensors need to be like ever so. Oh, I did not mean to start in this.
Genie, you are being asked for your Sona's lore.
Into
Ignore. No.
Nah, Genie ignoring someone asking about his Sona's lore. Interesting.
who was asking about my first?
You can look at chat, bro.
Oh, okay.
Is the takeover
Yeah.
now it's the not the takeover, the
I don't.
haunted.
What do you
not
mean?
haunted.
I don't see anything in my
Oh.
chat.
Is it now available
my
to
boot
play
lobby?
down here?
Okay. Let me go check my main.
Oh, it looks like they're gonna add that soon.
It's on Twitch. I'm watching you on Twitch. I can't.
Yeah, I
watch you on
don't. I
YouTube.
don't see a message asking about like the Sona lore.
Persona name. What's
Persona.
That's the
Oh, wait, no, I
inspiration.
thought I
Yeah, that's him talking about
I
bismuth.
misread that. I can't read that. The dyslexia is too much.
How much Robux do I have? Can I buy?
Who
the
taught you how to
2 times Game
read?
Pass?
I taught
Can I
myself
buy-
how to read.
Can I buy the
Freaking
2
loser.
times? Can I buy the 2 times Game Pass? Dang it! It's
Can you-
600 Robux. Ah. Wait, I have cash.
Have I heard of the Hall of Tortured Souls? Most definitely.
How much money do I have in my account? 84 cents.
Ow.
Dang it. I only have 84 cents.
Yeah,
I can't buy
Microsoft
the-
Excel.
Oh yeah.
Uh,
Microsoft actually restricted
we
the
should-
Israeli government to from.
Shush! I don't want to hear about that stuff.
Let's talk
You
about
wanna
the
hear-
government.
Guys, let's talk about the government.
No,
No,
let's-
no.
Yes, we are talking about.
No,
seriously,
okay.
I don't like politics.
bored.
Please stop.
Fine.
Seriously.
I don't want to talk about the
They
government
really
right
piss me
now.
off. Not on stream.
Fine.
Thank you.
Whatever.
Oh my gosh, not
The
happening, bro.
boredom.
It's not funny and it sucks.
Oh my god. I forgot I can do that.
What
Okay.
You forgot you could do what? Breathe.
That,
That's
but
mean.
also
Huh.
I'm working on a project. And I just remembered that I could do something really cool because I'm
I
totally
Should I
cool.
I don't know. I might. I don't want to buy it.
I'm trying to figure out how
No, I'm not-
Sonic's sensors are how Sonic's sensors are supposed to work.
Genie, you should try and beat pressure with the extra hard game mode on. Dude, I totally forgot. I actually totally forgot the announcer got new voice lines or a new voice actor in pressure. I totally forgot. I prefer the old voice actor, I'll be honest. He was more jolly.
Never say that again. I don't know
I can't
why.
say jolly.
No, it hurts my feelings.
Guys, Christmas is here. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Call me the Grinch.
Call me the Grinch because it's Christmas time. Call me the Grinch because I'm about to steal something.
Okay, there's the control lock.
I have a cocktail.
Oh my god,
As
I
in,
might.
like,
Yeah, you better.
Better what?
Explain.
How long are
Oh,
the
cocktail?
sensors?
I have the healing item in pressure that it heals you. It's called the cocktail. I forgot the other name for it though.
I have a healing item.
Okay,
What's it
Microsoft
called?
Excel.
And what is
It's
it?
called.
There's
Yeah, it's
multiple
called
things you
that.
could say. There's multiple things you could say there.
And I decided to stop because
you
I'm not gonna make that joke.
So,
don't make that joke.
people watching, how has your days been?
Your days sucked. You all suck. We all hate you. I'm kidding.
What?
We all do suck.
Okay, let's see. You know, Sonic can't actually jump yet.
You can jump.
It's time to jump. Oh shoot.
I'm just trying to get the running working. And even then, I'm a bit confused on how Sonic's sensors are supposed to work.
I'm praying I don't get Abomination this run, because Abomination just sucks.
Bleh.
Bro, what? I'm gonna try and beat the game as fast as I can.
Whoa, a speed run? So cool.
I mean,
Grounded
yeah, 'cause I need
sensor
to get that-
activation.
Aw, crap. A locked storeroom? That sucks.
I haven't even fully implemented the slope physics, which I need to do that, but...
You're such a slope physics genie.
Okay, so
What are you
this...
talking about, bro?
I don't know.
Bro's kind of lost.
Lost.
Gritty time.
Ooh, hit it.
Oh, I'm about to.
So when
I'm
a
about to
sensor...
do something really bad.
Like what?
Why? Okay, wait. Maybe I just didn't gritty hard enough. I
You should
didn't.
gritty harder.
You need to send me a list of people who need access to the GitLab later.
What
Right.
is the GitLab? What are you referring to when GitLab? Is it like NLDE or?
For migrating, yeah.
It's from
Possibly.
MLDE? Oh yeah. Make sure you add
For
me.
migrating all at the GitLab.
Yeah, it should be anyone on the GlitchFit internal server that doesn't
Just a lot of people.
that has any role aside from the what's it called?
Anyone who has staff access?
Yeah, basically.
I have staff access.
Okay, and then the downward sensor. Okay, this is the biggest thing that I'm
Yeah.
confused about so far is like when do Sonic's sensors become longer than this? Well, more accurately, how do I make sure that Sonic sticks to the ground so that he isn't floating awkwardly above in the air?
Ah, my eyes! Stupid ad! Oh my god!
Well, Nathan, you're back. Look, Sonic works now, kind of. His sensors aren't
Cool.
long enough, but not as long as they should be. But
Yeah, there's a lot of things about him that aren't as long as they should be.
dude,
But
I can't tell if that was a dirty
That's-
joke or
bro,
like
he's
that
a-
was like something.
what did you think that was? No, that wasn't what I was referring to. We're just short.
POV Sega workers be like, cool. Yeah,
We're just short.
I'm gonna talk about my hate for Chrome and how it's tortured me for so long. Today in school, Chrome
Hey,
for
Nick,
whatever
that
reason
thing
was
work?
just like making me suffer. And then like
Just let that get your brain out of the
my
gutter.
Chromebook exploded. It literally like exploded.
Oh, that
Oh,
is
Like, the
bad.
smoke coming out of the ports exploded.
No, it like sorry, it didn't actually explode, but it smelt like it exploded because the Chrome was lagging like really bad for some reason. It's fine. I think because I had Cookie Clicker, freaking Cookie Clicker, running on another tab while doing
That makes
schoolwork.
sense.
And
That makes
and
sense.
then my computer, well, it was getting warm, but it was like whatever. It always gets warm, even when I'm not playing Cookie Clicker. So I didn't really mind it until my computer actually started smelling like smoke. So I just closed that crap and did not do work for the rest of the day.
That's what I. Oh,
Nick,
Yeah, just bring it to your school's IT department.
Yeah,
and just
do
say,
that.
Oh, if that thing explodes, because we have to take our Chromebooks home now. If that thing explodes in my backpack and catches my house on fire and kills my entire family, I'm blaming the school.
Well, if I had to guess, it would probably just be like extremely dusty ports, like the fan or something that's being like. Because that's just based on like described. I can't
Bro,
actually see it.
I'm starting to think those Chromebooks don't even have fans. I swear to God.
They don't really have them.
Linux
not
Wizard
really.
left the
If
party. Sad
If they
face.
do, it's probably
Linux
like
Wizard is here for the party.
Chromebooks don't tend to have. They tend to rely purely on heat sinks, but because they're like dog crap compared to other
let's
things. Like,
change.
it's about as powerful as like a low end Android device.
Hey, did
Like that-
anyone get my ping and glitch bit internal?
Let me check
Let's see.
because I
Yeah.
don't think I'm getting it.
I got it.
Post dot angle. Okay, let's see if this
yeah, I did
works.
get it.
Alright, just DM me.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I got it.
No, I don't want to play pressure. I'm done. I just quit.
See, you just remind me I have to set up my GitHub for the millionth time since I moved back to Windows 10.
Let me see if because I do
Okay.
have 2 accounts that are technically
Outcome.
part of that.
But yeah, you're also gonna need, if you want access.
Yeah, let me just
What time is it? I'm so hungry.
Well,
7:51. Oh my gosh.
I know my
Oh
phone is
my
kind of crap,
gosh.
but like, why is Chrome taking this long to load?
I'm gonna go ask my dad for food.
Okay, I take that back.
Oh,
it
it worked!
Does have a stream
Yay!
pulled up on it, but
My school has cookie clicker do be kind of bugging out. My school's unironically blocked accessing files in both Edge and Chrome. Dude, what?
our school. Okay, our school,
Our school
they
doesn't really
blocked,
care as long as you're not on a Chromebook, really, at this point, which is kind of weird. They moved
Well, on the
away from
Chromebooks,
that.
on the Chromebooks, they block settings, which is really annoying.
Yeah,
they
everything
blocked
on most
that.
Chromebooks.
Yeah, they
You
block
sure it
settings.
wasn't like? You sure it like the entire app settings?
Yeah, the app settings. That's just gone. And me, Genie, Linux, we're all in IT. We're all going to school specifically for IT, and we don't have access to Chromebook settings.
At least I
I mean,
thought
most
ours
of
was
us bring
bad.
our own laptops now, so.
Ah!
Although I'm not sure if it's banned or not.
Because we have settings. I mean,
I
most
can't.
settings
You
are-
can't access
can't
your
do
PDFs.
anything,
Use
but-
Chrome as a PDF reader, bro.
What?
Dude.
You know, if I just figured out, oh my god, if I just figured out the school Wi-Fi, I could actually, I could just reset the entire Chromebook, add my account, and then add the school account, and then I could use both of my personal and school.
Dude, what is happening?
But
What?
I don't know the password, so I'm not risking it.
What is happening here? Okay, so is it? Ah!
That's broken.
Yeah. Okay, I need to.
Sonic fandom.
This is why I need to add the air state now. So we're gonna new low quality Genie image dropped. Oh, this always happens. Okay, we are now inheriting from state, and this is called air.gd. Okay, okay, I can just copy this. Let's just drag it. Also, my Godot looks like this because I installed a plugin called Script IDE that I like. Which makes it look like this, which is a slightly better layout. So, enter physics step, exit. Okay, so... I've not, this is also a chance for me to test state switching, because I've not yet actually tested state switching yet. Which I know it's a little silly, but
So when I hey Paul, or no, wait.
I don't
Can I let
care.
Trap in?
Okay, yeah.
how many people are there in here?
sorry.
Okay, we're at the
Sorry,
maximum
sorry.
capacity right now, and I don't want to get any larger than that right now.
Hold up.
So when I tried
Are there
to
any
get to the,
mods or plugins to
Cloud
help
Disc
with
is
to the link
scripting?
to
Can
the
you
link
guys
that you said
scripting?
sent in
Cloud Disc
glitched
moved to
bit
screen
eternal.
room. How
It says
rude.
that the site can't be reached. It's
Okay, I'll have to create a VPN for you.
Is
That's
there
because
any-
it's hosted over IPv6
is there-
right now.
Is there any
Okay.
mods or plugins that can help me with scripting? I mean, do you know any programming like at all? Like, do you know like Python? Cause Python is kind of GDScript is what Godot uses, but it's very Python-esque.
Oh my Jesus! Stop!
Okay, physics step. I'm gonna need both host and delta, so let's just uncomment those. Okay. For now, we're just gonna set host dot angle equals 0, even though this is later in the game loop. No, not really. Besides, I'm more building. Okay, yeah, well, GDScript isn't too hard to learn. Again, it's very Python-esque. Python is notoriously easy to learn. I don't need to check for turning super. There ain't no Chaos Emeralds in this game. Update X speed based on directional input and apply drag. Okay, so air acceleration.
Please! Ah! Oh my ears! Why was that so loud? Oh my god.
I'll reply to your DM in a second. I'm doing a server event real quick.
Okay, Vela. Okay, so now it's host dot velocity dot. Okay, let's just specify that this is a player real quick.
Also, the answer is the same thing as my normal username. Here, let me just type it in real quick.
Yeah, something short preferably.
Gravity divided by global functions.
It's just the same as what I use for
div by
GitHub,
delta.
regardless of anything.
Delta. Okay. For some reason, my Twitch audio set my quality to like 140p. oh no. The only way I was scripting in Game Maker was because of a tutorial. Ah, yeah, I see. There are a lot of tutorials out there.
A second, let me get this set up. I'm setting up the
Okay.
server, so
Okay.
it'll take a second.
That's what it's called.
If host dot velocity dot y is greater than 16 times. You know, I'm just gonna leave that unpatched for now. The player object. Please make a tutorial on scripting for Godot. Face purple crying. Maybe.
Genie, that's what you can do.
You want me to make Godot tutorials on YouTube? That's what you.
Yes.
That
Yeah.
actually isn't a bad idea.
That's peak
How
content.
have we not thought about this yet?
Fine. Maybe later.
Alright, well, he's
Nah.
never gonna do it.
I
He said it himself.
could do a quick rundown. Okay, actually, you want to know where I think you should go if you want to learn the basics of game development. All right, this is gonna sound a little bit interesting, but do you want to know? Do you want to know? I'm asking Nathan if
Pirate software.
no, we hate pirate software.
I know. What did you just?
I
send
need
me,
it for the RPG.
That's gonna be the initial password.
Yes, okay, White Sword just said don't say
Okay.
Scratch. Yes, Scratch is really good for learning the fundamentals of programming. For getting the basic understanding of how programming works, Scratch is great. Cause like if
but I wanted to code Elden Ring.
Cause like do I have Turbo Warp installed? I do. Okay. Cause like if I open up Turbo Warp really quickly, we're getting a little bit off track, but like it's fine. But like if we go to Turbo Warp, this is Turbo Warp desktop. This is Scratch still. We're gonna remind me later on the update. But like what I mean is like stuff in Scratch is as simple as just dragging blocks, right? So, you know, when I click the green flag, move 10 steps. You know, simple. This is very easy to understand. You know, you've got change X, Y, change Y by, say blocks. But the thing is that there's layered complexity here, and part of, and just complexity in general, because part of it is that you have things like variables. You know, so like I can be like,
outside. That's good to know.
set my variable to 10 or 20. Now it's moving 20 steps because my variable is set to 20. It just like Scratch is super good for learning the basics of how programming works. This is how I learned the basics of programming. It was great, and then I moved on to languages past that, like Godot.
I don't need to learn.
Though I will definitely do Godot script. I will definitely do Godot tutorials. That does sound fun. I'll probably just make programming for beginners. Go topic by topic.
Oh, yeah, you can make sure to talk like this. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another Godot tutorial.
Welcome back to another tutorial. And today,
Nah, you gotta sound like Elhu Jenny or Elhu.
Funny, I can't do anything in Scratch because I hate block code. White Sword, that's fine. I've kind of grown out of it, except for the rare times where I touch it for limitation stuff. But like, you can see why Scratch is good for learning the basics. What variables are, what functions are, though that's kind of obscure. They're not called the same thing in Scratch for some reason. They're called custom blocks, but... Can you sometimes send me the stream VOD for no reason? Are you okay, yeah, I could do that. Anyway, I think I may have implemented gravity. Today I'm playing Five Nights at Freddy's. We wish, we wish.
everyone.
Huh. How does that work? Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I mean, in some things, in some ways, when the player is airborne, they accelerate twice as fast as on land. AKA AKA a total of 24 subpixels.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay. Well, just put that wire guard in and change the password when you can.
Okay. I'll have to do it like at another point because I just explained why.
For ease of-ness, I'm actually using the real subpixel values, and I'm just using this function, to convert them to make them better, or not bad.
Genie,
Yeah.
should Nix have access to the repo? I forgot to ask you about that.
It's fine.
Uh,
It's for MLDE, right? I'm kind of
yeah.
I'm one of the like 2 artists slash level designers.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, I got the new low quality. These keep happening. Okay, well, we might. What it is that we might start using our own Git server instead of GitHub.
Instead of Git. Okay.
Yeah, it's GitLab. I already have it
Okay.
all set up.
Our
in
own
my
hosted Git server.
So I assume that it'll be running off of running locally.
Yeah, it's running at my house.
Never
Okay.
used that. Okay, no, it's self-hosted. It's essentially self-hosted GitHub. That's the easiest way to describe it.
Yeah.
Is there like any major benefit for running it locally, or is it just like
Better
just for
PI and control over it, and
better
also
security
GitHub.
and
And also better
yeah.
better control over storage.
Yeah.
that is okay? That's fair.
And if case GitHub goes, yeah. Let's get.
We need some help after stream. Okay, yeah, that's fine. We're gonna get everybody set up. Even I'm not set up yet. I haven't done that. I gotta make sure that the stream playlist is on loop so I don't accidentally like start any music that's copyrighted.
Yeah, that
Hey,
would be
wait, Freddy, you
bad.
just message me what username you want, and just I'll set you up from there.
If host dot rounded, then return
Okay, they're just
ground.
okay, Twitch seems to be blatantly using AI or something because that's not how a hand should look. Why does it have 3 thumbs?
Because of goofiness.
It's the stories thing in it, and the hand right there just has the. It's just supposed to be a thumbs up, but it has 3 thumbs, and then and the way that the hand is modeled, even though it technically does have 4 fingers, that does not look right.
Yeah.
Why is it like this? Why? Well, so I'm trying to see if I can see if like my follower like who's following me purely on what's it called? On mobile, because I can't exactly get on my PC right now. You know?
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
even the Chromebook.
I can get on my Chromebook, it's just that I don't want to use my school account.
Oh
That-
yeah, they do limit that.
Air
well,
drag.
So I
have
can't do anything.
keyloggers on that thing.
Air drag is in the game loop is applied before gravity is. So let's just add air drag really quickly. And also, if I'm not reading chat, part of it is I'm looking at documentation on my second screen. I wish I had a third monitor, then I could documentation on the third.
Monitors?
Yes, I have 2 monitors.
Bro, that's one more than what I have.
If host.velocity.y is less than 0 and host.velocity.y
Cool. No idea what you're talking about though.
Okay. Host velocity, okay. And y speed is -4. I'm typing it how it is on here, so.
I actually have my driver's test on Sunday. That's fun.
Host dot
Hope I don't
velocity dot
fail.
x minus equals. What is x speed div?
Developer?
No,
Is it div or dev?
div.
Oh, I don't know then. Division?
No, oh wait, no, I see what it is. So it's host dot velocity dot x divided by 0.125. Why is it? Okay, let's see if that works. Also, I need to modify this so that jumping is not like that, because they actually have a thing about jumping. Which is that it's host dot velocity dot x minus equals host dot jump velocity times sine of host dot angle This is probably not correct, but 2 monitors goes hard. Indeed, that's it. I used to actually, like way long ago, I used to have to stream on one monitor, and I had to have a program specifically for showing my Twitch chat on top of everything. Otherwise, I couldn't read Twitch chat that well. It sucked. So I'm writing my.
There was actually a time that I had to use an art tablet as a monitor.
Sorry.
I need to go find that so I can actually do art streams again.
Master got me working. Never get to finish. Huh.
What?
I don't understand. Is GDScript technically an interpreted programming language? Yes.
Isn't it like based off of C? Or...
It's
Is it based off of C or C sharp?
It's purpose built for the engine, but it's Python-esque. The Godot itself is written in C++.
Okay. Yeah, you can use either. I think you can use one of those three.
C# is a language that
And
you
that
can use for Godot, but I haven't touched it in a while just because I don't use that much C#. And also, the last time that I was trying, it was being very jank.
I do need to learn how to code in C sharp. It's the most isn't it like it's one of the more useful ones. Python is up there along with JavaScript.
Python
Like-
is really well established at this point, and it's pretty common.
Yeah, all I really know how to code is technically just through Arch Linux, so that's
You like C#,
It's not that big.
it's like Java but better. Yeah. I like
Yeah.
Python and I like Kotlin, but only really for Minecraft modding.
I
But-
wanted to play Survival Craft today, and I when I looked at it, because I thought I remembered it being like free, but then like I checked because like I don't know. When I looked at it, it was like, oh, that actually costs some money. Fun. I don't know. It's just I wanted to play Survival Craft, and I was too broke to play it.
I'm back.
If not,
$3, and I'm too broke for that.
if host dot grounded, then if not host dot grounded, then we're gonna return air. We're gonna switch to the air state. Function in Kotlin, why are fun? Why fun? Because it stands for function.
Funky Friday.
I thought it stood for Friday Night Funkin'.
Okay, why What is up with my friction? Where is my friction gone?
I don't think friction ever disappears. I think friction is like all around us, kind of like how gravity is always there, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't exactly get rid of that.
Yeah? Alright.
Wah wah wah.
Alright.
I don't see the
Water.
issue they have with functions being called phone. I don't understand. I don't understand this aversion you have.
Fun. But instead of function, it was just F. Actually, instead of function, what if function just didn't exist?
Okay, wait, I know actually probably I was breaking, but I'm still gonna do this real quick. Global functions dot diff by delta.
Okay.
Function. Excuse me. Okay, let's just try this one again, but with the friction corrected. Because I need to correct it to the... There we go.
Damn, I can't spell.
That's not good.
I misspelled freaking transition like 5 times.
Let's just do a slight thing for sticking to the ground. Oh my gosh, he had... Sonic has so much fun. He briefly becomes airborne.
Yeah, I think he does that in some of the games.
Yeah, no, but like
No,
when I
he
hit
does.
that one bump, like a tiny little thing.
Nah, someone has to clip that.
Sonic 4.
What did you say?
Sonic 4.
Sonic 4.
Okay, I thought you said something else. That F did not sound like an F.
I don't know what I'm laughing at.
I'm just not gonna say it.
I didn't want to hear it anyways.
No, something that is much worse.
I still didn't want to hear it anyways.
I should really make the sprite a variable instead of doing that. Okay.
What the freak is this ad?
You snap, angle. Maybe my mom isn't awake right now and I see. Ah! Sonic, where'd you go?
No, for a second, the Sonic
Wait, I know what
Medics
happened.
became too early.
I know what happened. He learned teleportation. What the frick?
Sonic!
Why does he have to do a full spin before like teleporting?
I have no idea. Really, I just need to go get the green hill tile sets, or one of the tile sets from somewhere else. So I'm not dealing with these big, these things where they have one of these. That's what's causing Sonic to flip out. Also, it's for me doing this weird lerp. I think that's part of it. Okay, let's try this. Let's hope Sonic doesn't flip out now. Also, I really should add animation or something, because he's kind of just
Loading.
standing here. Okay, yeah, there we go. First key mechanics. I guess, yeah. Also, jumping just straight up does not work right now.
Sonic.exe.
Okay, so now Sonic is not flipping out, but that's still some incredibly jank physics because of that one tiny lip there. Probably what it is that it's trying to. I just need to deactivate the ground sensors if Okay, let's just set
Oh dear God, he's using AI.
Who?
Oh God. Oh, this hurts.
What? Who's using AI?
So I'm trying to figure out how to do like level transitions because I'm working on a short little, probably gonna be like 2-minute gameplay session remaster of Woodsy. Once again using GDevelop, which is why it's gonna be short because I honestly don't want to work with it, but since I know it, I'm using it. And I was trying to watch this video for little funny transitions you can use. Oh my God, dude. Every single thing bro is using for his game is made AI. Even the floor.
Dude.
This hurts. This actually hurts. And this is 13
Why?
minutes too. This hurts.
Why? Dude, okay.
But to be fair, I also can't escape it either.
Yeah.
Because I swear to God, every single, not every single, but almost every single program I use has this AI has AI for some reason, and it's kind of getting on my nerves.
Yeah.
Especially for video editors. Why? That defeats the entire purpose of making a video if you're just gonna use AI for like half of it.
Yeah.
That would be funny.
Okay.
Man, this is epic jumping. W jumps. Everyone put a W in the chat for that jumping.
Well, like,
It's weird.
no, I know why it's doing that. Again, it's because of the sensors are. Okay, let's... It's because the sensors are long enough because I need them to touch the floor adequately, but, See, if I tap it a couple times, then I do actually jump as intended, but...
You know what? Sure, I'm just gonna leave it as that. Event group trans.
Trans.
I mean, I could probably just do a hacky fix.
Excuse me?
Both of the target positions of these right now are 33 pixels, so... For now, if I just go to player, and then I go to the one where it's doing all the sensor stuff, then if... Okay, you know, I'm just gonna define a lot more of these functions, but not... Okay, onReady var state machine equals the state machine. Okay, then we have at onReady var sprite equals $ animated sprite 2D.
We have a game launcher.
Well, we were talking about building one at some point. We were thinking about it. We never actually really did it.
Because there's a repo I imported for that.
Yeah.
You want me to get rid of that?
Nah, leave it there. I might want to work on it again later. It sounds like fun.
Alright.
Okay, if state machine dot current state equals air, then we just set left sensor dot target position equals vector 2 0, and then let's just do 33 minus 13. And yes, this is very hacky code, but right now I just want it working. So I can jump without it being weird. Okay, so now that should be jumping more correct. They are inverted on the x-axis when the jumping is inverted on the x-axis when it shouldn't be. Okay, there we go. Yep, there we go. So I figured if I should make my own interpreter for JavaScript so I don't have to use the buggy mess of Electron. real question, are you gay? Yes. Well,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm yes.
Keep
Shorthand, yes. But also, I'm
Oh,
technically dating somebody who's asexual, so not
that
as
doesn't make any sense.
who's agender. I'm dating somebody who's agender.
Oh, there you see. There you go.
You mix up those two things.
Bro, I'm just
They
shut
start with-
up.
Okay, I'll be honest. They both start with A. They both
Yeah,
start
the
with A.
dyslexia is crazy, especially when you're referring to your partner.
Dude, shut up.
Hey, you mix stuff up with me all the time. I'm allowed to make fun of you for that.
I know.
How many points do I have in Genie's stream? 15.
Okay, so oh my gosh, he's gonna buy it soon. Oh, you're
1500?
gonna buy it soon, aren't you?
No. I'm
Never
still
get on my
saving.
level. I have 0.
Who?
No, I'm joking.
Why has nobody bought it yet? I'm kind of amazed, actually.
Which
Bro's
one?
on a hand
10,000?
only
Oh, I'm
mode.
working on it.
Yo, hello, welcome Valentine's Ski, welcome back, welcome to the stream.
Whoever just joined, you suck. No one likes you. You should.
Dude, stop. Ugh, okay, I'm gonna
joking.
kill you, Jammer.
Nah.
Oh, how you're starting someone on stream, Genie? That's not very smart.
I'm gonna cancel you.
When
Bro's
he goes
on a
missing
hand-only
later,
mode.
You're going to be like,
I don't know what that
you're gonna be the
means.
first person that. You're gonna be the top suspect. You can't be doing that.
I'm not going back to jail.
What?
So what is fighting?
Eh.
Hmm.
Okay, let's go look back at the slope physics. Okay, let's implement the other slope
Oh.
factors.
Huh.
So let's go here to player.gd and let's slope factor normal, slope factor roll up equals this number.
Number 7.
67.
We love all these crazy
Alright, I'm gonna get
numbers.
something to eat, I'll be right back.
Okay. Well, you mentioned. We'll mention your partner being. Nah. No more. He is most definitely not asexual.
How do you
I
know
like
that,
my-
Genie?
I like my.
Dude.
I'm joking.
Giveaways. Wait. Giveaways.
What about giveaways? I don't understand
Not your
giveaways.
What are we
server.
doing?
From talking about Forgotten, a peak game.
Oh, you're talking about You're talking about the
I'm talking
Forsaken
about
mod.
Forsaken but better. Forsaken but better.
Okay, but also like, did they steal the game code?
No.
Okay, then they're cool.
No,
With the
they just have more
AI?
they're Forsaken Z. They created their own killers, their own survivors and killers. Stealing code? No.
Well, yeah, good for them then. Then they're cool, but
They're built different. I don't like this killer. Or not killer. Nah, I don't like this spider. I wonder what Banhammer's like.
Oh god, this is gonna be.
the
a
player is
nightmare,
rolling
so-
uphill. The value of slope factor is always slope factor normal when running, but not so when rolling. When the player is rolling uphill. Oh, so there's only use. Okay, so then this is just gonna stay like that, I guess.
Yep.
I do need like better. I need to stop using just random stretched Godot icons for my display.
But it's fire art, guys. It's fire art.
Yes, but I need Green Hill Zone.
That's
back.
it's
Okay.
green. Okay, you can make an original Sonic level called Blue Godot Zone.
No.
Yeah.
Fire
Maybe in
level
the full,
concept,
maybe in
okay?
the
Call
full
me-
game.
Call me
Maybe
a level designer.
maybe when the game's slightly more done.
Yeah, it's just an asset, temporary asset, you know? Nothing. How did that guy get 200%?
Oh my gosh, I
He
am.
only had...
It's invisible.
I'm gonna send out my exact address to everyone in VC. Or not VC, chat.
Well, if you get killed, it's your
Ooh,
fault.
please dox yourself, my guy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I am not liable for
Yeah.
this.
Kids, it's always a good idea to... If you've learned anything from Facebook, it's that it's always a good idea to give out your full name and everything.
Yeah, hold up. I'll give out my exact address in 1 second.
Okay, I am actually gonna go surf the web. So for fun, so we're back here.
Surf the web, yo, that's pretty sick, dog. You know,
Okay, let's-
that's peak 90s.
I need to go find the spiders resource. However, I don't think they actually have the.
I
Okay.
just got myself killed.
I live at 1039 Cloudy Street.
I live at I forgot the what's it called?
Green
You forgot
Hill
your
Zone
address, bro.
tile
How do you
No,
set.
no, I know my address.
Then why don't you remember it?
I was talking about the what's it called? Albuquerque, New Mexico, whatever.
Dude, you don't live there. You
Don't
live
you-
at
doesn't
you live
remember
at
Breaking Bad
083
Yeah, I forgot it.
69.
What is
My
it?
name
Why
is
does?
Mr.
Whoa.
Cartwell White. I live
Jammerland.
at
Jammer Lane.
Albuquerque, New Mexico.
That is not Green Hill Zone. That's Green Island. Not what I'm looking for.
That's green.
Listen, Genie, if it works, it's fire and it works. Use it. Okay?
Okay, I'm parkouring. What's in here? Nothing. I missed.
Why do all of the Green Hill Zones look like this? This is not the tile set.
Can you seriously not find a tile set for Green Hill Zone? Or
No!
Sonic the Hedgehog in general?
Okay, well-
Hang on.
Okay, listen, I found them they're on the Spider's resource. Like, there is a page on the Spider's resource.
So
But you
why
wanna
can't
know
you use
what?
that?
Here.
Because it's not the actual tiles.
What the fuck? What?
Oh.
Hang on.
Well, it's actually no, it's a fan. It would technically just be a ROM hack, so you could just
I don't
probably.
know, man. Maybe
pull,
it's just not the actual files, dude.
There should,
No, what it is
you
that
could probably find, like,
what it is that these are like the different like chunks of Green Hill Zone Act 1. Okay? This
Wait,
is
what the
not
hell? He's right.
it's not the actual tile set.
What the? What the hell?
Okay, I'm going to sonicretro.org.
No, you're not.
Hello, I'm back.
No, you're not. See, fighting does beginner servers. Fighting does beginner servers correctly by making it a level cap of 75 or lower. Forsaken should add something like that because it's absolute horrid when it comes to sweats.
Green
Yo,
Hill
whoever
Zone.
made this is fired.
I'm gonna fire you, Birdie.
They're the block mappings. Dude,
Those
where?
look cool, but those ain't it.
Yeah, no. Where is this? Where are the Sonic 1 tile sets?
There's no such thing as Sonic 1 tile sets.
God, Blue Hill Zone? Plumber? This is not Sonic. What is this?
Oh yeah, my favorite character in Sonic is the plumber.
so. Oh, I think I found it. What is this? Oh, wait, hang on.
Dude, what the frick?
Enemies, level select, item boxes.
No, I'm literally.
I found one. I found a website that has tile sets, but there's a crap load of lists you have to go through. Backgrounds. Title.
Ooh.
No, that would just be the title. Yeah.
I
Why is
found.
there so many Sonics? Oh my god.
I found a. Okay, I'm on the Orbinaut framework.
www.sonicgalaxy.net.
DM it to me. Oh my gosh, it's Bismuth in the Hall of Tortured Souls.
It has a lot of things in here, so I'm assuming it's in here. Hold up, I'll DM it to you. I just almost left call.
Don't do that.
Here.
Sonic Galaxy.
Level select. Nope.
Sonic Galaxy. They can't be taking this much stuff from Mario, okay?
Supersonic. Green Hill Zone. Damn it! It's just.
It's the same thing? That
Okay,
just-
I found
that-
the floor stuff.
That just might actually be the tile set. Like literally.
No, I think that actually is just the tile set.
Dude. Are the other ones like this? If we go check out like Scrap Brain. Yeah, no, this is just what they look like. Why do they look like this?
I think they do. I think they freaking do that for the thing so they can get away with like doing cool things like with the curve stuff. I sound stupid. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, well, I'll go grab the one that's already like kind of a tile set from Orbinaut framework. That doesn't have all the extra stuff. You know.
Oh, wait. Hang on. What is this? Okay. Actually, never mind. I don't know if you can use that. You probably could, but you'd have to edit it.
Yeah.
Hey, we won.
Grass.
Okay.
Yeah, that's so weird.
Okay, let's just
Now that got me wondering, is it just like that for like all Sonic games for the Genesis? Okay, yep. That must be a nightmare to work with.
Yeah, no, this is gonna be a nightmare to work with.
Hey, do you want me to get rid of contributors.md? Or contributing.md?
Yeah, we really don't need that. Okay, also disable. Okay, anyway, let's add a new node 2D. Because this version of Godot is weird, and we're just gonna call this tile map, and then we're gonna add tile map layer. Because you know how in Godot 4.2.2, the one we're using for Marshmallow and Definitive Edition, like every single layer of a tile map is inside of one tile map object. This is on the most recent version of Godot 4.4.5. Every single layer in a tile map is its own object.
That's weird.
That's so silly.
It has some advantages, but it's also a lot less.
Wouldn't that make it more resource heavy? Like
Not
on the
necessarily.
CPU? Well, if it's
Anyway,
making everything
add a
its own
physics
object,
layer.
let's make it more- If everything is on object, that would reasonably make it more resource heavy.
Oh my,
That's
this
why
is the worst. This is the worst commit message history I've ever seen.
Yeah.
What is it?
What?
You're such a commit messenger.
So many of these are just named
That's White Sword.
Goes on
Why?
a I just looked at chat. Valentine's speaking wild, bro.
Oh my gosh, this is so laggy.
Jesus.
I need to turn down my audio. That's
It's a
loud.
big tile set, so
I turned off. I don't even have.
Well, that's
stream
just the
audio
whole
on.
level.
No, it's this is the tile set.
Why? What?
And it didn't even import. What? What?
Yeah.
Oh, Linux, you weren't here when.
That's the tile set. That's the Sonic tile set. Like you cannot find.
What?
At least we couldn't find an actual tile set that's normal that wasn't like that. Because apparently that's just how Sonic's tile sets are for the actual games.
For the Genesis games.
Yeah, it's for every Sonic game that was on the Genesis too.
That is weird.
Because I guess that's how they make their levels, which must be a nightmare. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Probably do some sort of compression on it.
Yeah, that would make sense because like cartridges couldn't hold that much.
Oh my gosh, these are all separated by what?
Oh no.
I downloaded this one from the. Oh my gosh.
Looks like pain.
I downloaded this from the Orbinaut framework thing. Okay. I think okay, you wanna know what it is now, I think? I just gotta change what the tile size is so that the entire one of those sections is counted as one tile.
Your stream bitrate is going way down. You just got 2 viewers at once.
Oh, cool. Okay, how big is one of these? .256 by 256. So yeah, now if I wanna paint one of these.
Excuse me.
Look, I just have to paint the whole thing at once. Why is this like this?
Because you wanted to do a Sonic game.
I'm
You
fine.
wanted to do
Okay, now I gotta figure out how to. Now I gotta figure out how to
I don't
paint
know
the. Now I have to figure out how to paint the freaking physics.
Yeah, I don't know why you're using good. Oh.
Yeah, I think the scratch would be better at this point.
Scratch is crazy.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go check. I downloaded Sonic Worlds Next, which is it's a Sonic engine for Godot, but I didn't like how it was laid out, so... And you guys will see why, because it's very weird. So I've been somewhat using that as a reference.
Oh, you're very weird as well, so I don't think that would be too much of a stretch.
Jenny, I have a question.
No, but like the way that, that it does scene loading sucks.
Jenny, I have an idea for your next stream.
Yeah?
You should play Delusional Office.
I think I'm good.
But it's peak, I promise.
Nah, Genie should play Peak by himself.
No, he should play
No.
Delusional Office.
Okay.
Okay, so there's
'Cause,
a slide. There's literally a slide, bro. And jumping. Like,
This is the core of Sonic Worlds Next, okay? They have their own custom scene loader. They don't use Godot's scene loader, they have their own. Why? No clue. Dude, you can
I cannot what?
You have to be joking me! Even these people have, like, actual tiles. Like, granted, these are, like, placeholder tiles, but this is an actual tile set. And also, when didn't they set up terrains? That seems like a really... Like, no, listen. These are actual tiles. I don't even care if it's the official one at this point. I'm wondering, I want to find like a Green Hill Zone tile set that isn't that.
Hey Genie, can you archive the GitHub repos? Hello?
Yeah, me... Why am I on stabyourself.net?
What?
That is crazy.
That sounds like a very sketchy website.
Stupid
Yes.
question. When is Python useful? Because I've yet to use it in any of my projects. I've used it for web stuff.
Yeah,
He's
that's
lying, he
the
hasn't
main.
used it for web
Although
stuff.
JavaScript it tends to be a little bit more used more often.
Yeah, but like I use it for back-end web stuff. That's what I'm talking about.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I've seen some of that before. That's on the GitLab server too.
Yeah,
now,
Fluff.
So that's completely separate.
Because
group,
White Sword, if you
so-
remember, you were there for Art Haven. That was written entirely in Python, except for the HTML bits, which were written in HTML and JavaScript. So.
Ooh, what are you eating, Genie?
My brother just set
what?
pretzels down next to me for some reason, so.
I mean, GitLab is made in Ruby
Uh-huh.
and Go and Python. And a lot of other languages all in the same app. Wait, Sword, you need to look at your DMs.
Ah.
Acceleration. Keep moving to build up speed. Talk for too long, you lose speed. So don't stop moving.
You know what I could probably do? Even though it looks super duper out of place, and this is also really jumbled up. Like, I don't even know how to get this in here, but there's,
You could import the entirety of Doom.
no, there's Green Hill Zone from, Sonic Mania that is an actual tile set.
Oh, I don't have to make a VPN for White Sword. Nice.
Why?
Because he has IPv6.
Nice.
Let me get you login information.
I don't understand what we
Wait,
have against
so-
Python.
Pythons are very scary, you know? Not very much of a snake person.
Because, like, yeah, there's an actual Green Hill Zone tile set here from Sonic Mania, but it is a mess. I don't need a walkthrough, I need the sprites. This is a... You don't like colons and indents. Even the Splash Hill Zone, like, custom... from the Sonic the Hedgehog's customs category, is an actual tile set.
Okay, I think you need to stop sitting there and getting a little bit upset over tile sets. I think you care a little bit too much about that.
I know, but I literally can't make my game without it.
Just use placeholders, okay? You don't need to make it like right now. Or you don't need to use tile sets right now. You have placeholders. Okay, it's not that deep, Genie. It's not that deep.
That greatly simplifies it now that since I don't have to make a VPN for White Sword. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Linux Wizard left the party, sad face.
I'm learning about British swears from the comments on this page.
Wait, they don't speak English? Dang, I thought just adding to the nah. I could have sworn that the English spoke English.
Mm-hmm. I might actually start playing a game soon because I'm starting to get a little bored.
You should play Delusional
Yeah.
Office.
Yeah, it's a little boring when no one is talking, you know?
Mhm.
Yeah, you should play Delusional Office with me. Yeah, that's a good idea.
I think you're a little bit boring.
What if I had a game that I kind of wanted to play earlier?
Genie, I think it's a little bit rude to talk with your mouth full.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that would be live right now. So early for them. Yeah, a streamer that lives in Australia that I watch sometimes is live right now. I didn't know that they'd be live, especially so early.
You know what? Yeah, we're probably gonna switch games to a game.
Okay.
Just because doing stuff like making a tile set is just really boring and monotonous. So
Yeah, I can attest to that, and this is coming from someone who's made a few and kind of lost them when my hard drive failed.
Mhm.
Yeah, that was fun. I also lost the original concept art for the MLDE cover cover art. That was fun. I mean, I'm pretty sure I posted it somewhere on the server, but like I just consider that gone. I think the data is still on the drive. It's just that the circuit board itself kind of failed. It's
Yeah.
just an old Arch install, so not the biggest loss. Just annoying.
Yeah. Gaming. I am saving my stream information because we are changing what we are playing. It should say it now, but I actually have to start the game. So I'm actually gonna hide the display capture because
What
I don't
is
need it.
game playing?
I've watched a lot of people play this game, and somebody in my Steam family has it, so I'm gonna play it.
What game?
The Hollow Knight Silk Song.
No, I maybe should continue playing that.
Yeah, you probably
No, you
should.
shouldn't. No, you shouldn't.
It's
Linux Wizard is here for the party.
it's no, I'm not a human. That's what I've got.
Got White Sword logged in. I'm gonna need to fix the password changing.
Okay. Okay. Let's just hit play. You guys will see what this game is if you don't know what it is already. Actually, we just got back from our trip. Aren't you tired of staying at home? Yeah, I remember.
Yo, that's the horse mount right there.
Somebody was consuming too many horse electrolytes.
Hmm.
Is that Elon Muscle? I don't know, man.
I love
What?
ketamine.
Pat!
What?
She doesn't want to go, but what can you do, right? True.
Wait a minute.
This game's opening is pretty cool.
What game is this again?
No, I'm not a human.
I knew it! I
Yeah,
saw that on my
yeah,
YouTube feed, bro.
Genie, you're not a human. Not in the slightest. I think you're a little bit too anthropomorphic for that.
Wow, you don't say. None of us are human.
You know what? I think Linux is the only one that counts.
No, he doesn't.
Hey neighbor, long time no see, how's life? Same as it ever was. So let me level with you. I came over for a reason. I've been getting a little worried about you. Something real bad seems to be headed our way. I just got off the phone with my cousin. She told me the news is saying something weird is going on with the sun.
Oh yeah, Genie?
I'm actually gonna switch to this view just so you can...
Gene B.
Yeah?
Someone pinged you in general asking for assistance with Inner Dragon stuff. Just by the way.
Okay, I'll go check.
Aaron T-Peg forever.
Wait, is Linux a furry?
No.
Yeah?
Because I mean, Jammer did say that
Hello,
that
I'm trying to change the health of the dragon, but I can't figure out what I'm supposed to do. I'm using 1.20.1 version 4.3.
1.20.1 isn't supported anymore, is it?
No, it's not.
Where is this?
Hmm.
In the contact channel.
Alright. I just told him it's no longer supported.
I mean, some people did do a backport of the major features for me, but... And I did merge that into the repo, I just haven't published that out yet.
Okay.
Also, the music at the beginning... Lullaby for Angel's Egg. I don't know, man. Creepy stuff, huh? I sure hope it's not true. Oh, I forgot to change my scene back, because... Visitors? Yeah, that's what they're calling the people from underground. God knows why they're calling them that. I guess it's because they're visitors to the Earth, or the surface at least. Or maybe it's because they're going around trying to get into people's houses. My cousin told me that being home alone is dangerous, so I came over to make sure you don't end up hurt, or worse. Great, let's continue this conversation in the morning then. I'll see you in the kitchen when you wake up. See you in the morning. Honestly, I was looking at this game and I was like, this game would be pretty interesting in VR.
Party, sad face.
Better not go in there right now. Jammer.
I think it was Jammer.
Yeah. I hate sleeping by the nightstand. Too many bad memories. Nope, I don't look that way. Not anymore. Let's go to sleep. Breaking news. At 6:28 a.m. today, there was a powerful emission of energy from the sun. This burst of energy was far larger than scientists had predicted. As a result, temperatures outside have reached critical levels. The government has since declared a state of emergency. We ask that viewers refrain from going outside during the day. Up next, something lighter. You see ballerinas dancing gracefully, crossing the steps in strong but delicate leaps. Despite the elegance, the dance evokes anxious thoughts. If only someone could just explain what's going on. This is my kombucha. It lets me save. Here's the radio.
Dude, what is your opinion on CRT monitors?
Oh, this is the emergency services dispatch. How can I help you? CRTs are pretty cool. We don't own any personally, but people they're burning. Can you describe what you're seeing? Is there a fire? No, it's the sun. They're burning up in the sun. Awesome. Do not leave the house until dark. No, that guy haunts the street at night. The pale one, he's not human. Not quite a title drop, but close.
Yeah, that's not a roll credits type thing.
Looks like I won't be picking up anymore. One of those magazines where you gotta find a certain person in the crowd. It must be annoying. SCP-1548. What is that one? Toto pretty much only toy as a kid.
SCP-3001? I think that's the infinite idea.
SCP-1548. The Sun. I'm just checking around the storage room. Okay, where's the kitchen?
What's your favorite SCP?
Here's the
Mine
kitchen.
is SCP-049.
One of my current favorite is SCP-3312.
Which one is that?
Go look it up. Damn, so it's all true after all. Well, then everything I said
3312?
makes sense. Yeah, that 3312. Well then, everything I
Okay,
said
give me
makes
a second.
sense. Don't go outside during the day, and you have to remember to let other people in. I get that. I know you might not be crazy about having company over, but you have to let them in. My cousin doesn't know for sure why we can't just bunker down by ourselves, but she mentioned that if anyone comes and asks if you're alone, say no and tell them someone's in the house with you.
Genie, I was going
I
to
know.
make a joke about it being a snail, but this is worse.
I know, it won't be easy for you, but you have no choice. It might be the only thing that keeps you alive. And who knows, they might even bring something useful and share some interesting information. Don't forget to test them for signs of being a visitor. You don't have much energy during the day with this heat. So choose who you want to test carefully. You'll have to take a real close look at strenuous training work. But don't worry about chatting with people. I won't take up any energy, so talk as much as you like. Yeah, TV's great. I'm afraid all we can try to do now is survive. I'm reading the dialogue, but sure.
I know, but like your choice on your favorite SCP is worse than what I was about to joke about.
It's my favorite SCP because it's strangely horrifying.
It's the entire furry fandom. That's what the SCP is.
No, it isn't.
That's what it pulls up. It's literally SCP-3312.
It's a mimetic agent.
It's just
It's a mimetic agent that acts on you, eventually removing all higher cognitive function. That does not include what normal furries are, so.
it's just the furry fandom.
Read stage 5 and read stage 4 and read stage 5 and 6. Does the sun turn everybody into monsters in this game? No, the sun burns people. The monsters came from the ground. Or somewhere.
I don't remember what the game is called though.
The one
But
where
I
the
know
sun
there
does
was-
turn people into monsters, that's one of the proposals for SCP-1. I'm sure the government will help us somehow. Maybe they'll lead someone to shelter.
I don't remember what it's called though.
Okay, I guess I'll drink a beer. Because that makes me sleepy, so then I want to go to bed.
Alcohol.
But yeah, saving is a limited
Alcohol.
resource in this game. So I have to be careful with where I save. Okay. And now there's somebody at my door, because this is the basic gameplay loop. Hi, is my daddy here? Can you get him for me? I was okay before, but I'm really scared now. There are lots of strange people out here tonight.
Do you have a child?
You've got his name?
Doesn't
Oh
matter
wait,
if
you're
they're
just
a
testing to
monster
see
or
if
not,
I'm a
either.
visitor or not. You're smart. I'll start asking questions to test people too. I don't know. Everyone's afraid of them, so maybe I should be too. I've never seen one before. Are they scary? Do they hit you hard? If so, maybe my friend from school is a visitor. He punches me all the time. Bullies. Daddy told me to be careful, so I was super careful. I tiptoed over here real quiet. No one saw me. I'll get your dad for you. Thanks, you too. I want to go home. It's scary out here. We're gonna play a new game Daddy made up for me. You have to roll dice, and then you move stuff around like the armchair or the couch. You have to build a big pile near the door to win. I'll show you how to play another time. Bye. Well, I can also come out here and check the windows. There's a deathly silence outside. No one's there. Even the drunks have decided not to go out. Are they afraid of something? Possibly. I mean, we are there's kind of a situation going on. You see a few teenagers hanging out in the yard. They're sitting around without a care in the world, chatting about something. They pay you no mind.
Idiots.
They're gonna get themselves killed. Okay,
I saw the demo, but I haven't watched the full game yet.
Yeah, this is the full game. I have it because, again, somebody in my Steam family has it, so... Okay, we got another person. Oh, can I come in? I was taking shelter at a bar down the road, but they kicked me out, just like that. Why? Guess not everyone like my personality, but I don't mean anyone any harm, don't worry. Life is crappy sometimes, you know? So what do you say, my good man? Can I come in?
Ooh, let this person who's clearly a monster.
Do I look like one of those monsters? No, I'm not a visitor. And you're never gonna get a straight answer asking that directly anyway. I guess things here won't be any different from the bar. I considered saying something rude just now, but thought better of it. I told you already, someone there didn't like me. God knows who it was. Now that I think about it, maybe it's a good thing they tossed me out. They could have eaten me alive back there, no one would have noticed. Thank you. Trust in people doesn't amount to a hill of beans these days, but I appreciate your trust in me. Perhaps well, no, I shouldn't promise anything. If I remember right, this dude's chill. Again, I have seen a significant amount of this game before, but I'm not trying to cheat. Hello. Sorry to bother you so late. It was just so hot out today, and then the TV said we shouldn't go out in the sun, so... Could you maybe, find some space for me? It's not like I wanted to come out here. The asphalt may be melting into goo under our feet, but it could be worse. It's just... Well, you're gonna laugh. Visitors came to my house. Can you believe it? They chased me out of my own home. So now I'm just trying to find a place to hide from the sun. I don't know. Will I survive? Who will help me? How much time do I have to look for help? I have no idea what's gonna happen. Like, I couldn't even guess. Doesn't all of this scare you? It terrifies me. Thank you. Haha, thanks so much. Seriously. Now I get to live a little longer, thank God. You're welcome, buddy. I should probably stop. Yo, how's it hanging? Dude, you been seeing how gnarly things are out there? What the hell is going on? Be for real with me, dude. What did I miss? Creatures that look like humans are crawling up out of the ground. Zombies? Dude, I knew it! Bro, you can, totally count on me for what comes next. I've seen so many movies where this happens, dude. I'm basically a survival guru. Just clue me in. We dealing with classic slow zombies or the gnarly fast ones? And is it brain virus, blah? Are they just freaky undead dudes? Trust me, dude. The answer to that totally changes the game plan. Also, you got a shotgun or grenades? We're gonna need hella firepower to make it through this one. And food, man. Loads of food. Do you really have no idea what's happening out there? Sure, man. It's a mess out here. People talking crap on their fellow man. Martian marshmallows with all this doom and gloom.
Marshmallows?
And after all that stuff on the news, the vibes are way off, dude. The movies, man. They got it all. Drama, betrayal, intrigue. They're way more fun than books, bro. Always wanted to end up in a movie someday. You know what? You also seem chill. Yo, appreciate it, my man. Man, this might be the raddest thing that's happened to me, ever. They should totally make a movie about this someday. Looks like no one else is coming today. Valid. And I've already observed everything going on out my windows, so... Honestly, bro, I probably should have led with this, but the game dev was fun. I at least got Sonic basically working with his basic physics. It's still not entirely implemented, you can still, you can still, like, you don't fall off slopes, but... Good afternoon, here's the news. The sun's activity rises steadily as crime levels also reach a new high. According to recent data, the number of murders over the last few nights has surpassed average figures. Experts suspect this is related to society's ever-growing anxiety surrounding the visitors. And now over to... Just a moment. Our studio has just received an urgent transmission regarding contact with a phenomenon we are calling the visitors. Eyewitness accounts describe them as creatures that can imitate the appearance and behavior of humans. Avoid contact at all costs. In one case, a visitor was able to be identified with one telltale sign: perfect white teeth. Our early reports seem to back this up. Sources say they encountered an unhoused person with perfect white teeth, who later turned out to be a visitor. That's all for now. Stay calm and don't leave the house during the day. Up next, more weather updates, but first, a message from our sponsors. Always watch the TV afterwards. See, because now you get a 4Rest ad. Buying groceries used to mean trudging down to the store, but with 4Rest you can pick up everything you need just by picking up the phone. Just call, yep, and then that number is going to be noted down for my thing. So, Birdie, you have, like, already seen the demo of this game before? Okay, well, let's talk to this dude. Yes? Is there something you wanted? I need to test you. What do you want to check? Teeth. Okay, he's fine. Because his teeth are fine. Pretty yellow, right? So piss off with your tests. I'm not a visitor. Yeah, I trust him. He's chill. There's nobody in here. I already checked in here. Okay, there's nobody in there anymore. Also, this is a Critical Reflex game as well. They published this game. Critical Reflex are the same people who published Buckshot Roulette. So...
Oh, that's cool.
And actually, I'm gonna configure...
that game.
I'm gonna configure my, my screen light, now that I... Base light strength, let's do 0.5. Overlay light strength 10. Apply, so now... So now I'm a bit more colored like what the screen looks like, which also means that when it's generally bright outside, then I'm also bright. In fact, I become kind of the sun.
Pretty fast.
I don't know if there's
It's
a way to
changing
like change like I can go check to see if there's a way to change like the display, the delay.
Yeah, because it's just... Yeah.
Oh,
Of what?
oh no. Okay, there we go. I don't think there's a way that I can change the delay, but Yeah, I'm not sure there's a way that I can change the delay, but...
Would there be a sensitivity site or setting for that, or is it just that you kind of have to cope with it?
I'm gonna have to cope with it, plus, like... Well, like, look at how it looks once I'm actually in a room, right? Like, now I actually look like I'm in this environment.
Okay.
Okay, until his white shirt. You're back! Hey, we're playing a game now. Ignore me being super bright. I still might have to disable the... Oh, that looks weird. I'm messing with one of these numbers, and now... Sup, dude? I need to test you. Okay, let's see your teeth. Are those teeth fine?
No.
I think they're fine. Do some math work. What's up with the Sonic game? Okay, so the physics work pretty much. I did a hacky thing for the jumping. Now it's just I need to get a tile set, but I'm gonna do that later. You know, I'm gonna leave you alone for now. Okay, is this generally better? Okay, well, I can't test you anymore. I remember it was like yesterday. I just gotten home, I just gotten fired. All I wanted was to go home, climb into bed, and cry my eyes out. When I got there, I saw a bunch of boots. Thought maybe my roommate had some friends over or something, you know? So I went up to a room to find... How long are you gonna be streaming for? Usually on Fridays I stream till like 10 or 11, so... Yeah. So I went up to her room to find out what she was up to, but as soon as I got closer, started hearing a strange sound. Kinda freaked me out, but I decided to take a quick peek, quiet like, and see what's going on in there. I was only able to catch... What do you mean the lighting is really weird? It's fine, I look fine. Catch brief glimpses of my roommate, lying motionless on the bed when suddenly, some grubby guy grabbed me from behind and said, "You can't go in there, she's not well." I need to lie down, my stomach is doing somersaults. Ugh, okay. Okay, I'm out of energy, so... Let's actually continue talking to these dudes. So, sup, dude? Chillin', watching flicks, hang with the homies, but now no more movies, no more hangouts, real bummer, dude. TV loops the same thing, panic commercial, and I mean, yeah. He's a stoner.
Bro's just shaggy for real.
Yeah. The lighting is actually adapting pretty well to the room that I'm in.
Yeah, it looks a little better.
I blame the chain of catastrophes that broke everyone's mind. The sun teetering on the brink of explosion, the arrival of the visitors, the economic crisis, and so on and so forth. Messed us all up. Some crumbled under the stress, some dove headfirst into the bottle. Me? Well, it was rage that drove me mad. I snapped, climbed onto the bar, and screamed, "Stop blaming yourself! Stop blaming everything but yourselves! Let them weep, I say. Tears in the beer foam don't ruin the pint. Molten hops taste better with salt. Nobody appreciates it, so why bother? Let's go to sleep now." Yeah, my character now adapts to what my screen looks like. So, Now if I go to sleep... Okay, let's see what's going on with the outside. You see your neighbor and his daughter through the window. They're playing happily, trying to forget about the ongoing horrors. If only for a moment. But yeah, now it's like now I feel more accurately inserted into the game. I fit in more. Oh, the bodies of the teenagers are lying on the ground. No, I'm not a human, that's the name of the game. Someone killed them. It appears to have happened recently. The blood still hasn't dried. That's good. I probably should have ordered something. I see your humble abode is the farthest one out here, child. I believe it will suit me just fine. Lord have mercy. I'm speaking plainly, am I not? For hiding away, my child, I wish to stay here. And since we're speaking on the matter, allow me to inquire as to your amenities. Do you have holy icons? You do have holy icons, I assume. I also require complete silence for prayer and contemplation. Oh, thank heavens! I would have never figured out that you had not informed me. I'm simply trying to find out if your hovel is worthy of my humble self. I cannot abide filth. Is that so much to ask, child?
You should leave.
Yeah. Oh, so that's how it is then. You turn away the poor old woman in need, my death will weigh heavy on your soul, child. Our Lord will judge you before the gates of heaven. Mark my words.
Alright, sorry about that, I'm back. An argument happened in the house, and I had to mute.
Also, the teenagers died. Also, you're gonna do any more Sonic stuff or just playing games? Probably just playing games, sorry. I will do more Sonic stuff at a later date. And I'm probably gonna make some Godot tutorials. So, if you haven't subscribed already, then, you know, do that. Because I'm definitely gonna I'm definitely gonna upload some tutorials for Godot. Yo! You've been seeing all this... You've been seeing all this crap going on? Frickin' crazy! You holding up okay in there, bro? Nothing really, I'm just curious, you know? But hey, oh my...
Good, oh my god. Sorry.
What looks good?
I'm making, snow particles.
Oh, cool, okay. Anyway, okay, the blue filter's making it hard to choose what's going on with this... See what's going on with this dude's teeth. Since everyone else is busy... Okay. Let's hear it. I'm not sure if I trust you.
Just leave him.
Yeah, you should leave, I think. Okay. Hey kid, how are things holding up? Around your neck of the woods. I ain't from around here. Never been one to stay in one spot too long. But I can't roam around like I used to no more. Age'll do that to you, son. What are you hoping to find here? Here in town? I just need a place to my bones rest, kid. Ever since this damned business with the sun, they've been crawling out of their holes more than ever. I'm telling you, son, they're up to something, and they need to be put down. Welcome back to another tutorial. Thanks to @NathanRios for the request. Right now, right before that, let's talk about. No,
Yeah,
if I ever get a sponsorship offer for Raid Shadow Legends, they're getting turned down.
What? But it's money.
Where's your weapon then?
Listen.
I had a rifle.
If
Damn
I
near
will
got me
never
killed.
I'll never do a single sponsorship in my life. But if it's Raid Shadow Legends or one of those two, I'm only gonna do it for the joke.
Okay. They waited till I passed out, snatched it while I was sleeping. I tailed it out of there, and you bet you're... Yeah. Nothing human about them except the skin they wear, kid. You seem cool. Yeah. Knew you weren't soft. You got some backbone, son. We'll wipe them out. Won't let no varmint within a mile of this place.
Was he cool?
Looks like no one else is coming tonight. Okay. Tomorrow I should probably order some food. But, oh, I also forgot to check out what was going on out this window. A man as pale as death itself is standing on the footpath. There are strange folds in his skin. It's as though his flesh is the wrong size for its body. You can't see his eyes from here, but you can feel his gaze boring into you. You feel a sense of fear, deep fear, and pray that the terrifying visitor passes by your house. Hopefully. Ever the hope. Yeah, it looks like no one else is coming tonight. I'm not drinking that kombucha now. Oh no! Good afternoon, here's the news. The anomalous heat is continuing to rise, and the invasion of the visitors has shown no sign of slowing. As such, the government has found a new organization to aggress. Okay, FEMA. Okay, fingerprints. Crawl out from the ground. Yeah, if they have.
Who died?
Well, we're gonna have to go check it out. I also forgot to look at the radio yesterday, but. No!
What?
Tall dude is dead. No, yeah, no, tall dude died.
Aw,
Okay, you got
that dude was my
some
favorite.
explaining to
He
do.
reminded me of you.
I need to test you. What do you want to check? Hands. Oh gosh. No! I misidentified. That wasn't a visitor. Is it you? I need to test you. Dude! No!
Oh yeah, Genie. You messed up.
Ah!
I know who it was.
Okay. Well, let's go.
It was the woman in the closet.
No, she's fine.
She is?
I think.
You
I haven't
sure?
checked her.
I'd recommend I'd recommend.
I don't have any
checking
more.
her when
I
you
don't
get
have any more
energy.
checks for today. Yeah.
That's why I said when you get more energy.
Okay, let's call for rest.
Alright, I'm out for the night.
Okay. See you later, Linux.
Oh,
Also,
I'll
I'm
keep
so
these on.
bright red. But right before that, make sure you. But right before you download Raid Shadow Legends, second and third sponsor NordVPN and Offer GX. Oh, okay.
Genie?
Opera GX I do
for
not
the
like
GitLab,
either.
just- Hey, Genie.
Yeah.
For the GitLab, just use the password I sent you. I'm gonna figure out why it's not letting the password changing thing's not working. So.
Okay. Would you like to place an order? Let's do 2 cans of Energirka.
Linux Wizard left the party.
China
Sad face.
spyware. I also just don't like it. It just sucks. Sponsorship. We need to sponsor people. We need to be like, hey, we're gonna pay you to play Marshmallow. Marshmallow Land Definitive Edition. Oh, I forgot to go check the radio, actually. You've become red, your teeth white, has dirt appeared under your nails. Oh yeah, this is the one about, like, have you become a visitor? An evil spirit has entered you. I might leave, but I will say you might begin a new sub. Oh, thank you! That'd be... I will definitely upload Godot tutorials, because that does seem like a lot of people would enjoy it. I don't know, though. I don't know. I still feel bad that I missed that. Because now I've got 2 people dead.
I believe you have that type of blood on your hands, Genie. How could you?
Okay, there's
You're
the...
so evil.
I mean, also, if you... Nathan Rios, if you want an example of, like, if you want an example of a game that you can make with, Godot, there's a game I released a couple days ago called Marshmallow and Definitive Edition.
Yo, that's a pretty nice,
Holy-
selfish plugin.
Dude,
Holy advertising.
Yeah.
what, come on, bro. My analytics are dying. Actually, I'm curious. What? I'm gonna go check. What are my analytics for Marshmallow and Definitive Edition?
The game that I helped that I was a part of making.
Yeah,
Yo.
let's go check the Marshmallow and it's the Marshmallow and Definitive Edition demo. Okay, analytics. We
I'll be
have
back.
32 downloads. There were no downloads today.
Yo.
There was 1 yesterday and 1 the day before that, and 5 downloads previous 5. Yeah, I'll just send the link to the game in chat so you can check it out. Pop,
Yeah, make sure you pin that.
pop.
Make sure you do it to both chats as well,
Okay.
because we're not getting the Twitch chat on. Okay,
I'll be
There
back.
you go. Check your
make sure you
DMs.
pin it.
No, I'm not a human intro. Okay, well that's interesting. What's it about? It's a meta horror game. That's
Genie.
part of where my experience
Genie, you
for
gotta
making
pin-
platformers comes from, because it's a platformer meta horror game.
Genie, make sure you pin the message. I
Okay.
can't do that. I'm not a mod.
Cause it's something that I've been trying to make since I was a literal kid, or at least the series is. So, you know,
A literal child.
yes, literal child.
Ooh, a game about marshmallows dying. That's nice.
No, it's evil marshmallows. That's
I mean, marshmallows do die in that game, so
No, I was sad. I was gonna record a video because we were supposed to. Was it Monday? We were supposed to have a fire, and I was gonna record myself
yeah.
cooking a marshmallow, saying, and then I was gonna at you and make a joke.
When you ask me to make black and white textures, what?
Huh?
White sword in chat. Howdy. I'm not letting you in. Is your door nice and sturdy? Never know what might happen to it. You understand. Got a gun. Delicious. Despair gives courage to the coward, yes. So, you alone? It's your lucky day. I can hear someone whispering inside. But who knows where they'll be in a few days. White outline. The first time white outline tool, yeah. Hi, 4S Delivery here. You know, I didn't expect people to skip stocking up before the end of the world. Apocalypse or not, guess folks still gotta eat lunch. Deliveries might pay pretty well right now, but the risk is huge no matter how you slice it. But this damn sun, they moved us to the night shifts because of it. Now people order 20 liters of water at a time. I wish we got hazard pay or tips for lugging that heavy stuff around. Anyway, sorry, I got sidetracked. Ready to accept this delivery? Here you go. Energica ×2. Have a good day. Oh, I mean night. Still not used to that. Special delivery! Order something from Forrest. So,
You're rich now.
we meet again. I remember things that were a bit different last time we crossed paths. Yet I remain alive. Okay. Bye, Nathan! Come back next time. Yeah. I want to try to start working on the RPG. Yes. Ooh. Game development is awesome. It sucks sometimes, but once you have a finished product, it's awesome. Once it's like but also working on it does tend to be pretty fun, so it's a strange thing, I don't know how to explain it. I'd like to start a conversation with a divination. Tell your fortune by towards the beginning. The dead soon shall speak, but none will heed their words. Goodness me, how shockingly relevant. Though I suppose it's not much of a surprise to hear that now. What does it mean? I need to think through it carefully. Do you have any insights to offer? Anyway, I only came here to tell you something. Say that now then me dying from scripting. I'll teach you scripting. I'll make video tutorials so you can learn. So I can teach you how to do scripting in Godot. Because it's excellent. I love it.
Do you think that you could do Unreal?
No! Events will soon begin to unfold. You need to be ready.
Unless you're a
It may
AAA
sound
studio.
strange, but the cat must answer. I cannot yet explain how, yet I'm certain it will help you. You could choose what to do with this information, of course. As for me, I think I'll have a ponder on the deeper meaning of your divination. Also downloading the game. Cool, thank you!
I
Let's
hate
play.
these
See ya.
girls.
Bye, Nathan! Oh, hello. Oh, here, lean on me for a bit. Do you maybe have a room for us? We all suffer from depression to some degree. We knew where things were headed even before all this trouble with the sun. Have you been following the news? It's all been leading up to this, but I don't think the sun's going to actually explode. I have to find somewhere my sister can feel a little more comfortable. Then we'll create a new life for ourselves. They say our lives are over, but I disagree. If anything, things should get easier from here on out. Should I let them in?
They're a little bit creepy.
Nah, I don't feel like letting him in. I get it, you don't know us. You might think we'll just cause trouble, but I promise we won't. My younger sister, she's just having a really hard time. We've got a, what was it called again? Energirka. Here, take it, it might come in handy. I don't take bribes. Ouch. Well, sister, I guess we'll have to try our luck somewhere else. Come on, let's go. Help me out a little here, sis. My god, when will this end? To be honest, Unreal is good, it's just people make very unoptimized games in Unreal. It's not the engine itself. To some degree, that is the case. But at the same time, Unreal is also just a little bloated.
It's the RTX on game engine.
You see a
But
group of
that's
armed
just
soldiers through the window. Apparently it's a small squad, though, sent here from the state to provide security for female employees. Here are some fragments of information about a pale man with a bare torso. Maybe they want to track down that creepy visitor? You can turn that off. Yeah, but like... Also just Unreal is goofy. Your options when you're working with Unreal is either visual scripting or C++. The charred husks of the teenagers' bodies are lying on the ground. It's like you've been here.
Visual
They've been.
scripting's cool, but it can get very messy, way messier than just natural code.
Yeah.
Well, it's free and
Trust
and
me, I would know since I am one.
No,
I guess
you're
a lot
not.
of that come from Unreal tend to be a little
There's
bit
also
more
a small group of
polished, I guess.
FEMA employees standing around by your house.
But of course, like,
Here's the thing, also, you don't need to use Unreal if you want to make like a good-looking game. I bet
know.
we can squeeze.
Actually, You can use Godot
Yeah.
to make some pretty good looking games. I've seen some really good looking games
Yeah.
using Godot.
That's what I hope to do with Woodsea, especially because Woodsea is gonna go for like a realistic-esque style. Woodsea, I want to make good look really good.
As someone who has never used Unreal or Godot, I have seen people saying that Unreal is just easier to work with. I don't know though, man.
Yeah, but Godot's scripting language is also just really good, actually. There's a small group of Flame employees standing by your neighbor's house. You wonder what they're talking about. Maybe they're taking soil samples. Yeah. Cause like the advantage that I've talked about to Whitesword, I know he's heard this before with Godot and with its scripting language in general, is that it's purpose built. It was built for the engine. It's very deeply integrated. You know, that's the big thing with Godot, is that it has very deep integration with the you know, the systems in the actual engine itself. That's why GDScript is so nice. Good afternoon, here's the news. FEMA has taken measures to address, okay. Quarantine zones, new visitor sign, blood red eyes!
Yes!
Oh, that's evil.
Okay, let's go check to see, okay, beer. Forest, yeah.
I find it so funny that so many things that can literally kill you in like one puff can just be sold.
Yeah.
Like compressed gas is normally used for computers, but if you take one puff of that shit, you can fucking die.
Okay, the only person inside of my house right now is in the storage room, and it's this dude. So you want me to test this dude? Okay, I need to test you. What do you want to check? Hands.
I just find it funny how easy it is.
His hands look fine.
The only
Oh,
problem
I don't
is,
remember digging in the dirt at all. Eh,
I
you
feel like
fine.
Yep, yep.
I feel like for compressed gas, they should make it to where kids, like, it kind of like how.
I'm telling you, Genie.
Like with
Okay. You know, do you want me to reveal something? Because this is kind of cheating, but also I've heard the. Because when I say that I've watched a lot of this game, I mean it. And one of the things that people point out in the comments is that this is one of two like dormant visitors. There are people who are visitors, but they don't know that they're visitors. So she actually won't do anything. She doesn't kill anybody.
So wait, there could be visitors that don't do anything?
Yes, but it's only people who don't know that they're visitors. And this is one of the people who are like, who I've seen in the YouTube comments over and over again. They are not a visitor. Well, they are a visitor, but they won't attack anybody. Because actually, you want to know who probably killed the tall guy? It was the dude in the bathroom. The high dude. The hippie. Because he was a visitor. When I shot him, there was a body. If you shoot somebody and they're not a visitor, they become body bags. If you shoot somebody and they are a visitor, there's their body. So it was that dude in the bathroom who killed. So I'm gonna leave her alone, and I am actually gonna test that thing that I've seen where she is a dormant visitor. So let's try and get somebody else tonight. I'm actually gonna check myself. Okay, I'm fine. No one will be out on the street at this time of day. You know, I'm actually gonna call my neighbor. 343-923.
Hello, neighbor.
Hey neighbor, thanks for calling. Honestly, I'm still shaken up by all this. The murderers, the soldiers, FEMA, even showed up at my door last night. Asked about people staying here, scribbled something on a tablet, and then
Wait a minute.
one of them took someone out of my house.
Dude, that actually just hurt because I just banged my head against my.
Hell if I know. They said it was for
Saying
tests. Thought these soldiers and government officials would fix things. Should have known better than to think they'd help us or get us to a safe place. If something happens to me, promise you'll look after my daughter, I promise. Okay, well, I'm out of energy, because I tested myself, so... Once we get FEMA notices, I'm going to use those. Okay, there's somebody at the door. Let's go check the windows first. Oh! Your neighbor's house, which he just painted white, is now charred blacker than black. Seems like the fire is still blazing even now. Could someone have burned it down on purpose? What happened to your neighbor's family? Is anyone still alive? Worried thoughts swirl in your head, and you're overcome by a feeling of incomprehension and helplessness. The pale, creepy man is standing on the street, smiling. He's holding someone's decapitated head in a helmet. It's the head of a soldier, his face frozen in a terrified grimace. You're not sure what scared him more. The pale visitor or his own impending death. This one's not a pretty sight. I kind of like Unity, but the terms of service, I think they fixed that though. No! Unity? Unity, I have the same kind of gripes that I have with Unity that I have with, Game Maker. Game Maker is not a very well-built engine. I'm going to be real, and neither is Unity. They are both
RPG Maker, isn't that another one?
The RPG Maker, it's like made for beginners, but like when I talk about,
it's really bad.
It's fine. It's fine. If you're trying to make RPG games, it's great. The only issue is that it costs like $45 or more, like 70 or 80.
As someone who made not made an entire game, but made
part of a game in
mod of
GDOP.
a pre-existing game
In Unity.
Yeah, using Unity. Which I also had tried making my own game, which it wasn't the greatest.
Using Unity's particle systems.
Jump. Honestly, especially if you're a beginner, I would not recommend Unity. It's not fun.
No, I only have one person in the house. I should have let those people in from last night. No, they're gonna take it. Why should I trust you? Are you going to help us? So what happens next? I'll take one person.
Do y'all ever get mad when you see happy people? Like, why are you so damn happy?
No!
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that might have just screwed me over. That might have just screwed me over.
I think bro's cooked.
Can I come in and rest a minute?
Maybe.
Where'd you come from? I don't remember, it doesn't really matter.
Why the fuck?
Is your friend sick? He's my husband. He's dead. I can't give him a proper burial.
I swear to God,
No,
Spirit Halloween is literally just Hot Topic, but like during Halloween. That's it. It's just Hot Topic Halloween, dog.
Hi, let me in.
Oh God.
Are you freaking out? I don't know what to do. People, killed my daddy. Who did it? Visitors. Yup. Come in. Oh, wait, no, this person's important. You open or not? Too many questions. Yes, I know. I will help you. See city? Live there. Saw your house. Walk over
That
here.
face looks like me. I'm trying to.
Not out
think
here.
of Who, if it.
Do
I'm
I?
trying to think
Sure.
If that person's face looks like a meme or something.
So what now? You tell me more, or what? Strange thing to say. 2 arm, 2 leg, 1 head. Not enough for you? Did I pass test? You open or no? I make myself home here. Come on, kitty. Time to run and enjoy. That is important. We need the cat.
Kill the woman, keep the cat.
I mean, that is something that we can do. Okay, good afternoon. You're watching the news. Okay. Please stay within your designated area. Hairless armpits.
What's wrong
Okay.
with not having hair there?
Okay, now let's go. Kitty is here.
There.
What more you need? Okay, I need to test you. Eyes. Okay, she is another one of the passive visitors. As far as I remember. So we could also kill her. But do I want to? Probably not. Tell me what happened. I don't know. They came in and started talking and...
Shut up, Buzz. I'll kill you.
Okay, I know you're probably not anything, but... Yeah, you're fine. Okay, I know I let some other people in. Are they in the bathroom? I could use some rest. I need to test you. Oh, wait! No! Ah! Not again! Oh my gosh, I probably should have tested her one more time. Huh. Yeah, no, I just messed up.
How could you murder an innocent person, Genie?
Wow, Genie.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
No, I said it first. I said it
6,
first.
8, 9,
1, 2, 3, 4.
6, 7, 7. Let's see if I still have an order. Oh my gosh! Fine, whatever.
One hand that dribbled the skid.
Okay, so now I'm once again with one person in the house. Let's go check the radio because I forgot to do that yesterday.
What are you laughing at?
Okay. Nah, I'm not that interested in it right now. Okay, it is once again nighttime. There's once again somebody outside. Okay. You're looking at the ruins of your neighbor's house.
Speaking of nighttime, you should probably be going to bed.
In a bit. Or okay, there. Now it's on a spike. FEMA officials are inspecting the site of the recent massacre. Yeah. Hi, cat. Goody. No! No! No, this is bad! This is bad! He's just doing his job. Times are rough lately. Maybe let's just a real store order. I'm doing what I can. What can exactly... Listen, you alone? I'm not alone. Still scrambling to survive in this new world, are we? Why? Dogs rule the world now, and only dogs survive here. You understand what I mean, yes? Things will never go back to the way they were. Life's changed. You're falling out of rhythm. Next time we meet, things will be interesting. Wonderful, the cat's with you. It's for you to decide what you know about the cat. I see further than most, a gift I was given. I don't see all, but you. I know what awaits you further down the path you walk. Something terrible comes to meet you. You are not the cause, yet you will feel its touch all the same. Perhaps they'll mention it on the radio. Will you listen? Nothing, I've already said too much, but for 2 days yonder, testing portends doom. Halt your scrutiny until the third sunrise. If you can do that, my guidance can continue. Maybe it will bring you peace, or at least help you move on. I hope to see you soon. What's wrong with you? The man looks at you, eyebrows raised. He seems unable to answer. Did someone sew your mouth shut? He mumbles something while waving his arms. You can't be sure, but his cheeks seem wet with tears. Hello? The heat doesn't bother me. I'm just looking for a quiet place to rest. May I find some peace in your home? Doesn't matter anymore. Are you wondering if I'm a visitor? I'm not, but I do have a request. I'll ask you later. I'm not sure I can trust you with it yet. I'm always cold. Others burn in the sun. I wrap myself in layers and still feel on the verge of freezing. I'm afraid to take my layers off. What if it just gets worse, and there's no death to ease the suffering? I understand. Goodbye then. Okay. Looks like no one else is coming tonight. They took the lady with the cat.
My stomach hurts.
Okay, emergency broadcast. Wildfires are now sweeping across. Okay, now we got the film photography. Aura cam.
This is a horrible idea.
Okay, now... Where's that person that I let into my... Oh. I want mommy. How are you holding up? Do you like it here? It's okay here, but I wish I was at home. When can I go home? Maybe later. It's being renovated. Okay, so he may still be alive. But I can't test anybody now, because, there's one more person. You.
Zombie.
Oh my
Michael
gosh.
Jackson?
I can't understand you. Okay, well, you wanna know what I'm gonna do? Hand over FEMA notice. What that means, now what FEMA notices are is that when FEMA comes, they will remove the person that you give the FEMA notice to. So instead of taking a random person, you can target who they take. The goal here is essentially...
Hey, this guy.
The goal here essentially is that I do not want them to take her. I do not want them to take her. Let's also try calling for arrest again. 6, 8,
Oh my god.
9,
Dumb idea.
6, 7, 7. Two cans of cat... Wait, okay. 2 cans of cat food, please. The next time I can place an order, I'll order some kombucha.
You're such a kombucha.
I'm actually gonna go, drink the kombucha right now. Just to save my game. Okay, so that, now I need to go drink a beer because I can't test anybody, but I need to go to sleep.
This was so stupid. Why did I decide to do this shit?
I love looking like I blend in with the environment.
Maybe you just blend in with the environment.
You see a woman crying over her wounded husband. Can't tell if he's alive or dead. Tears streaks, she drags his heavy body away from the gunfire. Things will only get worse, yeah. The path along the field is littered with the bodies of those who tried to run. Nearby stands the man responsible, a female officer. brush. Okay. No, you want to know what it is? Why, hello there, dearie boy. Also, I got come and see, witness the beginning of the end. Who are you? Oh ho ho, I'm just an old coot who knows a thing or two about mushrooms. Never mind me right now. I don't quite follow.
Bro, I can't check
The
my wish
Mushroom
list
Festival?
anymore.
You must consult the Book of Smiles for that. Great mushrooms shall rise up and scatter its spores far and wide. Its shadow shall spread and swallow the sun.
Nick's benevolent
And
left
not
the
a
party.
single
Sad face.
place will be spared the fun.
I can't check my Steam wish list. What the hell?
Golly, we can't allow that happen. We must stop it together, my boy.
Bruh. I can't check my Steam wish list.
Yeah, Hi, Forest Delivery here. Just past the screenings, they checked all the signs, said I'm human and... Oh, you mean how I ended up working in the middle of an apocalypse? What else was I supposed to do? Sit at home and rot? At least out here I can distract myself and not think about this whole shit show. Besides, my family's far away. I'm not from around here. I only came to study at the local university. I'm on my own. Whatever, being a delivery guy isn't that bad. Besides, what's the point in studying if no one's gonna hire me anyway? You'll kind of understand why the cat food is important.
What? Because you pretend to be a cat and you need cat food.
No!
Yeah, you're such a cat, Genie. Come on.
Okay,
Come on, Genie, stop
breaking
being such a cat.
news, civil unrest. Okay. This is our new reality, visitor's true origin. According to the authorities, these are all just baseless. Studies show that a visitor is a human who has come into contact with an undetermined biological agent. Methods of transmission remain unknown. Methods of transmission remains unknown. And FEMA urges everyone to stay alert for the signs of visitors. Hi, cat.
The creature?
No. Like an actual cat.
You can hear this, stay away from the outskirts. FEMA officials are shooting at everyone trying to leave. Yep.
But the cat is a creature.
I don't know what's going on, I just want to get out of here. Valid.
There's multiple things you'd be talking about.
Someone please I can't you dude. I don't even know what you mean by that. Okay, also look, feed the cats some canned food. I'll just do this as a demonstration, just to be safe. His little face is hard to read, but you're pretty sure he's happy. You have a strange feeling you can sleep peacefully tonight. It feels like your furry friend has shared one of his lives with you to say thanks. Who knows, maybe death will pass your home by tonight. So now, theoretically, they can't die.
We can't die?
Anyone in the house. I want my mommy. You to accept what happened. What do you mean? He was good. They hit him, so I don't remember. That's what I thought. Yeah. I can't test her. I was about to be like, oh, I should test her to see if she's a, How? This is like a cipher. So it is like actual text that you can read, but only if you have the cipher. I think that's an @bash. So all the... Wait, if it's an @bash... I can't reread the dialogue, because @bash just means that the alphabet's flipped.
How do I kill this guy?
You kill him.
Okay, let's
I'm kind of having a really difficult time.
drink beer. Drink bleach. Don't do that. I'm gonna get in trouble with Twitch for that now. Whoopsie.
You're gonna be on drama alert now.
I think you'll be fine. I say much worse things on my streams and get away with it.
Okay, so now it's time to go. Hi, cat.
Why does Twitch target me? Next is gonna be Twitch. Why does Twitch target me?
Twitch
What did I
is
do?
racist. Twitch is racist, I think.
It's gonna be another FEMA time, right? Oh, they're much better. Oh, howdy, my lovely life and I are looking for a place to weather the storm. Would you mind if we crashed here for a bit? Only if it's no trouble, of course. What if you're trouble? Can your wife speak for herself? She's just really tired, I'm sorry.
Gosh, this music's so ominous.
Should I let her in or no? What do you guys think? Should I let them in?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, come in.
It'd be pretty funny if you did.
No, I'm not letting the kid. The kid gets to stay here. Hello there, dearie. Walking all the way here, okay. Might I pop in and rest a minute? How long were you walking? You're at home. Have you been walking for a long time? You must have been, surely. But I've marched through more decades than you've had hot dinners. That's the difference between you and I, dearie. Have you got wigs in those ears, dearie? I'm tired of walking.
Yo, what is happening?
Here, I'd have a chance.
Oh. Huh.
Okay, I'll let you in. Thank you, dearie. I can tell you'll be a very entertaining host, and maybe I'll finally find out what's been going on around here.
Imagine you let her in and then you just.
Hey. Can you let me in, pal? What happened to you? Got caught in the midday sun. While putting out forest fires. The only one left from my squad. The rest, boss just wouldn't let them leave. Now they're on shift eternally. Yeah. Now I can't go home. Public transport ain't running no more. The thing I can do now is rely on human kindness. Thanks, pal. I already have one FEMA notice, so, I might need to give one to somebody else, though, just in case they take 2 people. Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Okay, nobody else is coming tonight. Oh, I forgot to check the things. Good afternoon, this is the news. Silence, the harbinger of death. The cynics stir quiet that drains the soul, but worse is the ringing. Distant funeral knell growing ever louder. What was that? Some reports describe a lone shooter, while others mention an armed group dressed in hooded clothing. However, the city's greatest challenge may still lie ahead due to lockdown imposed corpse disposal. Okay, let's go talk to the other people now. Let's go talk to the people. How are you feeling? Okay, you're getting the FEMA notice. Aw, now I feel bad because I just got an achievement for doing that. City-born, okay. Yeah. I can't test anyone, which is the real tricky part. So I'm gonna make sure to feed the cat again. Which is gonna take up all my canned food, but... Let's go see if I can order again. 6, 8, 9, 6, 7, 7. Okay, no, I can't do that yet. Okay, let's try 0, 1, 0, 9, 7, 0. Let's call that girl's friend. Hello? Hi, would you... Hi, may I speak with your daughter? Why? He was a visitor too? No, some nut jobs just burn him alive for no reason. They burned her too!
Uh-oh.
Oh. That's... Okay, yeah, no, I can't do anything. Okay, let's see if we can go decipher what this dude is saying. Hey, how are you doing? You pat him on the shoulder.
Yeah,
You good?
one.
Okay, wait. Can somebody... Hey, Birdie, can you pull up a, like an @bash cipher decoder?
Alright, hold up. What was it?
An @bash cipher decoder.
The heck is an @bash? Mind explaining that?
If you have my stream pulled up, then just
I see it, but what is @bash?
@bash is if I'm remembering correctly, @bash is the alphabet, is when you flip the alphabet.
Alright, hold up. Let me type in what it's saying.
Interesting. Let me guess. This is the Doomsday Clock.
Oh, it is. It is. It is.
What?
I'm getting something.
Okay.
Alright, hold up. Let me finish.
Oh, this isn't the Doomsday Clock.
B. Okay.
Oh, right.
I gotta turn up your stream quality.
Jacksville.
Right here.
Drunk Fortnite.
Yeah.
Post
May
AFC
I ask-
hangout.
May I ask you to repeat that?
Goot. I wish I had like an @bash cheat sheet so I could try and decide. Well, it's fine. Okay, what is he saying? This one's short.
TSSSLLG.
TSSSLLG.
I think that's just a sound. Like, I think that's just a sound.
Good. He did it. He said a word.
There's no way I kill this like boss this turn.
MRUTH question mark. Maybe it will help.
Mort, maybe it will help. Morth?
Morth, I think.
Oh, that's a long one. Alright, hold up.
I need to make a mod for this game where all it does is it just makes this dude's dialogue decipherable. Like it just has his dialogue all like in parentheses next to it.
There's probably a mod for that already.
Who knows?
No.
I mean, this is a Unity game, so... No, wait, we gotta make a mod where we add ourselves as visitors. Or just as random NPCs that can pop up.
PNG.
Yes!
The PNG
I mean, that's
of
half
punishing
that's
bird.
half of the game. It's literally just PNGs.
Yeah.
Alright,
PNG of punishing bird from the hit game Lobotomy Corporation.
I wonder if the same thing is happening in my country.
Huh, okay.
So some of this
County
is spelled
or
weird because like a lot of this is actual English, but then there's some words that just spelt wrong.
Just Marxism.
Marxist.
Let's see what he's saying here.
Also, streaming on YouTube is fine. I don't like taking up this much internet, but like streaming on YouTube is pretty fire.
What a nightmare.
Yeah.
So what a nightmare.
Yeah, Z equals A. That makes sense.
So yeah, A is Z, I is R, Q is J, Y is B, B is Y, J is Q, R is I, Z
Yeah.
is A, C is X, and I'm not gonna keep going.
Yeah.
That's too much.
I get it.
So you just take the alphabet and fold it like a book, and you match the letters together.
Yep. That is an @bash cipher. One of my personal favorites is the Visionaire cipher. It's essentially a Caesar cipher with a key. In fact, one of the puzzles that I planned for the original Marshmallow and Definitive Edition would have had you use a Visionaire cipher. It was to get the anti-piracy key. But I eventually removed that because I figured that it wasn't obvious enough.
Dude, my announcer does not shut up. He just keeps yapping the entire time after the fight, bro. What time is it? 12:27. I tried to go to sleep at like 8 or something. Or no, I tried to go to sleep at 9 and I could not fall asleep. I got in bed and I had to stay awake.
Yeah.
So I just got up, started playing Limbus Company, and decided to...
Become Punishing Bird.
No, I decided to play a mirror dungeon with only the base center IDs.
Why?
No level ups, no nothing.
Why are you?
It's
Why
very
are
fun.
you? Why are you Punishing Bird?
Because I am the Punishing Bird from the hit game Lobotomy Corporation.
I think I liked you better as I'm a Jam and Furry the Tiger Shark.
I'm not moving it. I'm not changing back to that yet. I like this for now. Lobotomy Corporation is a good game.
Okay, man.
I'm just saying it's
Okay, there's people staying in there. I do need to get more kombucha.
Jambucha.
Hi, cat.
Simbucha.
Okay. Oh my gosh, there's a dead guy.
Genie,
Oh
you just
my
gave me a tool that I can use to my fullest power.
What is it? Oh, the
I
at
can
bash.
send people the most random messages, and they won't know what I'm talking about unless they know.
Unless they know.
Knowledge.
Yeah, actually, if you use a Visionaire cipher, then that's even more of like a, or even there are even more complicated ciphers.
Brody, if you started doing that.
But the thing is that this is
I should have quit Faust.
okay. Yeah, they did need 2 more people. Sorry, bye at bash cipher guy.
Thank God I don't have to type anything from him again.
Yes, your house is perfect. I can feel it. Yes, and it's mine. That is correct. Death is everywhere. Some were burned, some dragged out and executed. Death's taken a liking to you, yes. You look like some like some kind of cultist freak. Perhaps I do. Is that such a bad thing? This is my shroud. There will be need of it once I die. This way, there is no need to find a cloth and wrap our dead. And we don't believe in salvation, not unless it comes from death herself. She's already near. We're simply helping her cross the threshold. I need not come in. My mission is okay. Sounds like a tall order.
Alright, I need to equip Faust because she has a good ego, and I like the ego because Arcanites goes hard.
Did he just insert all of the colonists into my home anyway, even though I didn't want him to? Okay, unless you're a visitor.
Crazy.
Who are you? Someone who's here to clean up the filth. My neighbors. My neighborhood's dealt with. You don't need to know nothing else about me. That's a funny way of looking at it. Sure, it's a broom. I could sweep away the filth with my bare hands. This just makes it easier. The most effective way, though, lock 'em up in a house and torch it. Anyone who feels sorry for visitors might as well be one.
That's crazy.
Hold it. You already asked your questions, now I'll ask mine. Anything going on in this neighborhood? Any threats I should keep an eye out for? A half-naked visitor annihilated an entire patrol. Just one? Half-naked? So I wasn't wearing any protective armor. Interesting. You actually saw him? Yeah, I believe you did. You don't talk like someone who's in the habit of spreading rumors. It got my attention. I'll be back again. Can you tell me what's going on? It's so hot I can barely breathe, and people are acting all weird. Shooting and fighting each other. I don't get it. News never says anything good, it just makes me sad or scared. So I just stopped watching it. I read somewhere that people who don't watch or read the news live longer. But Mom and Dad always watched it. One day they heard something real bad happen on the news. I kept my TV off. Didn't want to stress myself out. They never came back, and I still don't know what's going on. They left in a rush a couple hours after the broadcast. Never came back. And now I'm way too scared to turn on. Oh, this is a child.
Aww.
Visitors crawled up from underground. The sun's exploding. It's okay.
The sun's exploding.
Okay. Crap. Why did they leave? Why didn't they take me with them?
The sun.
I don't even know what to think anymore. Maybe you don't trust me either. What am I supposed to do now? I don't know if that's a good idea. But maybe you're right. I should stay with you for now. Looks like no one else is coming tonight. Tomorrow I'm gonna try and get some more kombucha from Forest. Good afternoon. You are watching the news. FEMA is currently assisting victims of the quarantine zone attack. Due to overcrowding in existing facilities, the agency has made the following decision. Evacuated residents will be temporarily housed in buildings on the outskirts of the city. Fortunately, local homeowners are cooperating with FEMA and have offered shelter. As of this report, only a portion of the escaped individuals have been located. Thankfully, a new identifier has been announced by officials early. Bleeding gums. Multiple cities are now reporting outbreaks of organized cult activity. Charges against them include... Yeah. I swear. Okay. Oh no, where'd they go? I just really want my parents to come back. You look like a grown man, but you're clearly a child. I can't give out any more FEMA notices because I don't have them. Yeah, no, this is what I was afraid of.
About every character in that game.
Who are you? Yeah, no, I don't like these. He just inserted all those cultists without my permission. Mr. Atbash is gone. I pet the cat! Okay, let's see if I can order from Forest now. 689 677. Okay, should I get kombucha to save, cans of cat food to make sure people don't die? Actually, cans of cat food to make sure people don't die. I can't have those cultists dying on me. I also should probably, with how many people I have, I should not accept as many people as I have been. Hopefully that darn bald-headed dude comes back soon so I can, continue testing people. I swear if I wake up to somebody dead and it's one of the cultists, or if it's the girl, I'm going to freak out. Oh, my dear boy. Well then, I'm afraid all hope is lost. Hello, deliver here. Accept the delivery. Here you go. Have a good night. You feel that? Change is haunting you. So am I. And now one of your ilk is deathless. All because of a word. One single word. But what a word it is! You know who I mean, yes? Strange things happen around you. I don't care. Detached, are we? Don't even care anymore? Let's fix that. If there is at least 2 of us inside your house, you'll open the door for me. I don't understand. It's simple. You alone? I'm not alone. Well, well. Even we are a rare sight now. Let alone your kind.
69420 left the party. Sad face.
Locked in their walls. Change isn't the worst thing coming for you. You don't think I lead the pack, do you? There are far greater things out there. I simply follow orders. Well then, until we meet again. Where did E-Ray go? You there, yes? The feeling is worse now. Strange. Is it because of all this destruction? I've already got all the help I need. I feel weaker. My sight can't reach as far as it did before. It's probably not you or her. This happened once before at the very beginning. Everything will be fine. Newly grown stalks will break through the ash and reach for the sky. Goodness, I do not wish to scare you. Simply thinking aloud. Before I came to you, everything felt so clear. Now, it's like fog. You have a basement, yes? Something's there, beneath the soil. Though I can't quite see what. I remember. It was the right thing to do. It had to be done. And you? Remember, jumping won't help you. Not yet. I need to be alone with my thoughts. Hi, Boot Floppy! You sure were gone a hot minute. I sense the energy here is stagnant. I don't need anything from you. Okay, and? Mom ended up waking up and watched game show bloopers. I see. You should leave.
Oh shoot.
Oh, hey, what's up? Long time no see. How's life? Do I know you? Come on, you really don't remember me? Hang on, your voice sounds different than I remember. We're playing No, I'm Not a Human. Which is cool. How long ago did you start living here? Nah, no way. Never been mistaken my life. I remember it was the steel trap, elephant style even. My buddy definitely lived here. Come on, I willed long. No, I'm gonna have to turn most people away. Oh, more people are coming tonight? Hey, pal.
I'm getting a call. I may or may not come back.
What happened to your pass? Okay. Please come back.
Cloudiska left the party.
I ain't.
Sad face.
Okay. Yeah. I'm just trying to be safe. I can't guarantee if all of the people in my house aren't gonna get one of those cultists killed. That's why I ordered the cat food. No! No, 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 that's bad, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad. Who died? Who died? Who died? No, no, it's not. No! Which one of you was it?
Cloudiski is here for the party.
No, 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 no. You don't understand how bad it is. How bad it just got. You wanna know what it is?
What'd you do?
One of the cultists died.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna go check. I can't. It was the grandma. She was a visitor. But I couldn't have known because I needed to talk to the dude. Or something. I don't know what that did for me. Because now one of the cultists is dead. And that might spell certain death for me. More energy. This is bad. Okay. Fine. Okay. You took both of the cultists? I thought death was a good thing for you. The family, okay. Not again! I've already seen this ending! Like 3 times! Ah! Wrath of Vigilante. And I don't have a recent save. And I'm getting a bit tired, so I think that's probably just gonna be it for today. I'm gonna be real, because I am tired, and also, man, that felt good, dude. Because, like, the thing is, I've seen that ending, like, 3 times already. Because, like, I've been watching people play it, and then they always pick an option, and then you're just dead. So, I don't know, man. We'll see, we'll see.
Most common ending.
Yeah. We'll try and do a run another time. We're probably just going to start from the beginning. I'm going to save a bit further in. Probably after we have, you know, a good set. But for now, I'm gonna go get a drink, go get something to, you know, get some stuff. Maybe even keep working on the Sonic thing just off stream. But so yeah, so I'll probably be streaming next Wednesday and next Friday. No
He's
doubt.
not gonna stream next Wednesday or Friday.
Actually, next Wednesday is the 1st of October, so I'm probably gonna keep playing this game then, because Spooky Month. Yeah.
No.
Anyway, so
Limbus Company.
But nope, I'm not playing Limbus Company. I'm putting my foot down. No, Jammer, here's the thing. No, Jammer, here's the thing. You continuing to bug me about it has legitimately just pushed me off the game entirely. I'm going to be honest.
No, I'm not even trying to do that. I'm just joking around.
I know, but you
I'm
bringing it up. Okay.
I'm being serious. I'm joking around.
Anyway.
I do recommend it, but I am joking around most of the time.
Okay, but anyway, I'm just gonna bye chat on both places.
Bye.